Buddy, welcome back to another live stream. Hope everybody's having a good morning so far. Market's going wild. Look, we had that little bit of a gap up here, and then SPY was just like, nope, just kidding. Fill the gap right before the pre-market. Not even going to let you play it at all. So AMC right now is down about 0.05%. It's down a penny in the pre-market. DraftKings, that strangle's looking good right now. I have the 19 puts and the 26 calls. So the 19 puts should be really solid. If it continues down and stays at these levels by open, we got GME over here up about $1.47 over there. A little bit of a flicker to the upside, up 1.19%. Let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update as everybody's filtering in. How's everybody doing? We doing good? We doing good? SCV is not late. SCV is not late. SCV is right here. See? I'm right here. All right, everybody. So let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update as everybody's filtering in. Oh, look, more fake cost to borrow numbers with nonsense utilization. 100% utilization over here. 1.1 million AMC shares have been borrowed today. A net borrow of 968,000. And the average cost to borrow on that 1.1 million shares, 1.47. Nonsense. So we got 21.05% estimated short interest over here. Let's check on GME really quickly. And then we're going to get into some other stuff. So 100% utilization, 3.36% average cost to borrow. It's not stepping up. It's actually coming down still. So that's a bit weird. 21.43% estimated short interest on GME. But how's everybody doing? ISPO yesterday. Yeah, that was kind of wild. More mortals being launched. Oh boy. All right, everybody. Yeah, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. But looks like some individuals at Citadel and one of Citadel's main funds is getting investigated by the DOJ. So we got this Bloomberg report here. This is the article. And then we had that, what do you call it? There was that video that was circulating around yesterday. So this article is talking about Morgan Stanley relationships across Wall Street snared in the probe. Now, again, Morgan Stanley did put out that or did put something up, but we did see that filing that they were like kind of removing themselves from a lot of the DTCC services. Interesting. Could be related, could not be related. And then when we come down here, the list of people whose communications are being sought ranges from executives at prominent Wall Street funds, such as Andrew Liebeskind at Citadel's Surveyor Capital. So Surveyor is, I believe it's their top fund, but I'm not necessarily sure. Let me look. What is Citadel Surveyor? Established in 2008, Citadel Surveyor is a global multi-manager equity strategy and one of Citadel's three fundamental equities businesses. Within Surveyor, primary strategies our primary strategies team invests globally in companies raising capital via initial public and follow-on equity offerings. So that is a pretty big part of Citadel's business. They are getting investigated. They are getting looked at by the DOJ over here. Pretty interesting. So DraftKings puts are looking pretty good right now. SPY, see, this is the thing I was talking about the other day. I think SPY is going to come down and mess around in this range for a while before it wants to come back up. We were saying that when the SPY was all the way up here. We've been saying it even back here. So SPY is now coming down to the upper end of this lower supply and demand zone over here. It's currently at 436 in the pre-market. Those puts that I had yesterday would have printed, but again, you can't win them all. Those finished up like 60%. I think those DraftKings puts are going to be good. How you guys doing? As everybody's filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Is there any news on the, let me look. JP Morgan Unite updated NII outlook includes 6 rate hikes. Jamie Dimon, shut up. All right. Some stuff on Apple stores, oil slipping. Yeah, so WTI oil slips below 90, down 2% at 89.95 and set for the first weekly loss in 9 weeks. So oil is finally coming back from outer space. SPY's just kind of flickering around here. It did fill this little pre-market gap. Will take years. Fines will be high. Fed keeps money. Perps walk. That's the thing you got to keep in mind. It's not money. When the DOJ okay, so when the SEC investigates, you're completely 100% right. It's a fine. They don't really care. It's a slap on the wrist. It's just the cost of doing business. When the DOJ gets involved, I mean, the DOJ is not going to be like, give us money. it's jail time is the penalty. So they got to be worried about this. What's going on with AMC today? It's just flickering around, following the market. Honestly, with this little move that we've seen from 439 all the way down to what is this? 435, a $4 move in the SPY. Amy going from what is this? 1936 to 1894. I mean, and still in the green in the pre-market over here when the SPY's down. I mean, not a small amount, but from the high, it's down a decent amount. Amy's showing a lot of strength recently. So DraftKings trying to come back here a little bit. I'll probably ditch one of those puts at open just to kind of get my money back and then see what happens over the rest of the day. DOJ, yep. What's up, Simon? How you doing? Check Roku. Yeah, so unless Roku is down like 25, 30%, you would have had to spend a lot of money. Oh, okay. So 106. What were the 106s? You'd still have to spend a lot of money. Like having a contract that's 26% out of the money cost you $154 is ridiculous. So if you got the Rokus, good for you. You're gonna print. What are these probably gonna get to about? You're probably gonna have a couple 1,000% gain, maybe 1,000, 1,500 if you got the Roku. The DraftKings are gonna be a little bit smaller, but we'll see what happens with those. Favorite long-term play right now? I don't know. I own a boatload of AMD. And I just keep holding it. Let's see here. Yeah. As you guys are filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button as well. Today's going to be a crazy day. No pauses today, no exams, no nothing. We'll be on for the normal schedule today. Sorry about that yesterday. I did have to go take a test. All right, hold on. Let's see if we're getting any news. Putin, Belarus drills are defensive. Don't threaten anyone. All right, Putin. Let's see. Amy over here, 1893 in the pre-market. Here we go. You're drinking that CMOS. What's CMOS? What's going on with Walgreens? I don't know. Did they ever? They had earnings like last week. That's WB. Oh, what's WBA? Walgreens boots. Nothing. Flat in the pre-market. Did you see your hand net yet? No. I'm gonna take a look at that after. After I think I'm gonna do it in my lunch break time. SPY coming down. Should have kept those puts yesterday. True. I just don't like holding things overnight. Because look, like if you look at this on like a 4-hour chart, look what the SPY does. It's just like, oh, chop, rip. And then it's like chop, sell off. Like you never know which direction it's going to pick on any given day. Like gap up, then comes down. It's like, it's not worth holding stuff overnight. It's better to, in my mind, it's better to take the 60% gain than risk it going to zero, but the potential for like a 300% gain. A dumping again. Well, it's $1 million. How much is that? Like 40,000 shares? I don't know about that. It's not really that big of a deal. He's donating to charity. Could he have done it with the money that he already did it with? Yeah. Is it the best thing he could be doing right now? No. But I mean, I wouldn't be like, oh my God, he's up. Relax. Relax. One person trying to sell is not going to influence anything. He still has, okay, so now he's going to have 2.49 million shares. Or no. 2.495 million shares. It's fine. How did the laptop hold up from all those slaps? Dude, it worked. The laptop worked. All right, let's see. Where's DraftKings? DraftKings. Oh, that's going to be a nice one. He's dumping. He knows the price will not go back up. Okay. XX Wolverine. This is okay. Okay. We're going to do a little bit of a rant here. One, Adam Aaron has no fucking clue where the price is going to go. How? How would he know? It's just like saying YouTubers sold at 72. How do we know? Like how? One, the company came out with awesome earnings. Like the earnings preview. It's awesome. They're acquiring new theaters. You have Batman coming out. They refinanced their debt. How's that? Like, come on, dude. He has no idea. Zero clue. Come on. We got to be smarter about some of this stuff. How the hell would he know? He's not an investment professional. He's the CEO of a movie theater company. Let's see. Why donate 1 million when you can donate 20 million in a few weeks? All right, XX Wolverine. If we start to rip and he sells, what are you going to come in and say now? You're going to be like, oh my God, it's the top of the squeeze. It's over. You can't win with people like you can't like you because that's what would happen. I can guarantee you if we started to really rip and we saw a June like event and then you saw Adam Aaron sell some shares to donate to charity, you know what you would come in here and say? You would be like, oh my God, it's the top, it's over. He knows. He has no idea. Nobody knows where this is gonna go. Rant rating, I give that one a 50 out of 100. That's fine. That's fine. All right, let's see here. DraftKings flickering around. He's not selling. He's giving the shares. I don't know if he's. Oh, is he giving the shares? If he's giving the shares, that's awesome. But if he's selling and then donating the money, it's like, yeah. Oh my God, it's the power top. Let's see. Power pop. Turn the volume up. All right. All right. All right. So here we got 18.99 on Amy over here. We got DraftKings down about 16.6%. Spies moving back down. GME's up 0.28. UVXY call still looking good. There you go. I mean, where's UVXY right now? It's probably a little green. Should be slightly green. Yeah, UVXY up 0.6. I mean, it was coming. I mean, it did rip all the way up to 1698. That's a nice little rip there on UVXY. I'm really okay. Depending on what happens today, we could see some random Fed statements where they just like completely screw over everybody, but we'll see what happens. He's gifting the shares, not selling them. All right, perfect. Two-parter, did you fail your test? Hell no. And did your teacher wonder who you were since you've never been to class before? No. No. Class is not hard, people. Here's the thing. Nobody actually needs to go to class ever. This is what I've learned. This is, if anybody's listening and is going to college, TLT pumping in pre-market, better print me those calls that I have today. This is what you got to learn. Nobody actually needs to go to class ever. It's a joke. It's fake. It's not real. Because here's the thing. They're just going to talk about the slides anyway. So just look at the slides. Like, come on, let's be efficient about this. Yeah, TLT is pumping up in the pre-market here. Amy's at 1903. Let's see. We got GME flickering around doing its thing. My coffee. My other coffee. Morgan Stanley under investigation, DOJ probe. Yeah. Did you play DraftKings? Yes, I did. I have the 19 and the 20. I have the 19 put, 26 call. Class is synthetic? Yes. It's a fake. It's not real. You never used a textbook? Well, for your MBA, it was the opposite. I feel like MBA is just a joke. Trey says don't skip class. Well, we happen to disagree on that statement right there. I've been to a total of 1 classes in person this semester. A lot of calls expire today. It's not anything crazy. How low should we expect the hedges to force the price of AMC down? Well, let's take a look. They do want it below max pain, but max pain was 1950 at close yesterday. So let's see what it is now. In this week isn't anything wild. Let's see what it's at. 1950. So this week isn't anything like, oh my God, there's some craziness going on with the option chain that they need to push it down or they're screwed. It's not really that wild. Like when you look at it, there's I think 40,000 contracts in the money right now for AMC. And then there's another 23,000 at 20 is like 11,000 at 21. Like there's some contracts hanging out there, but it's not enough to be like, all right, if we cross this, we explode. Spy flickering around here. TLT is up about 0.4% in the pre-market over here. That's a little bit gnarly over there. DraftKings is a little bit of a pop. I don't want that to happen. AA gifting 50K shares. Yeah, so if he's gifting the shares, perfect. That's fine. Alrighty. Alrighty, folks. Monday holiday, market closed. Yeah, that's no fun. How's the paper cut? It sucks. Well, not really. It got really itchy last night. So I was like, oh, that must be healing. I changed the bandage on it, and I didn't do it as good as the doctor, though. Obviously, it's not my thing. So DraftKings trying to make a little bit of a move back up here in the pre-market. SPY testing the all-time recent low level. No, that's like 420 something. Like if you zoom out on it, it's like 420. Yeah, 420.76. I mean, it's testing the top of this box, which is done a few times and then pop back up and then hasn't been able to get up into this box, which I probably should extend out a little bit. But SPY's flickering around here. DraftKings 1875, AMC 1896, up about 2 cents in the pre-market. GME's up about $1.21, up about 1% in the pre-market over here. The doctor went to class. If I was going to be a doctor, I would probably go to class. But I'm not going to be a doctor. SEC and DOJ have been investigating whether bankers may have improperly tipped off hedge funds ahead of large share sales and if the bankers alerted favored clients ahead of the public. Yep, that's an interesting one. DraftKings will drop heavily at open. It might SPY below the weekly 50 SMA. Oh, I don't know. If SPY breaks down into this box today, I'll get puts. If SPY bounces hard off of it, I'll get some calls. Natural gas is up. Oh, yeah. Oil's been. Oh, yeah. Natural gas up. Where's UNG? Yeah, UNG's up a little bit in the pre-market over here. United States natural gas. All right. SPY flickering around over here. TLT probably on the high over here. Yeah, TLT's up 0.5%. New highs in the pre-market. This could be good for my TLT calls. But who knows? Let's see here. DraftKings. And then anything else you guys want to look at today? Because I'm just gonna kind of go with where the crosses are happening. Did you get a paper cut after paper hitting those SPY puts? No, I got a glass slice, which is gross, but it's fine. I'll survive. What are the SPY box levels? This one's right around 435. This one's like 435.50. So 435.50 and 435, I think, are the key levels. Oil, gold. Gold's probably coming up. Okay, well, gold might give us a little bit of an opportunity today because it's just flat in the pre-market. If it has another 1.37% day, like we could print on gold. Somebody was saying they made like a 1,200% on gold calls in like a day, and I was like, God damn, I knew it. Should we buy puts on ISPO? If there was an option chain, I would say yes, but there are no options. I don't think there are any options on ISPO. Let's see. Love Fridays, contracts cheap. Oh, yeah. It's going to be a fun day. If we can flip some stuff. We had that one crazy Friday where I had that like 500% of firm play, which was wild. And then sometimes I just decide to YOLO on Fridays. I'm going to try to not do that today. Like that's my goal, not to go crazy on some weird random YOLOs, but who knows? Can Amy just have a small 250% day? What's the gold ticker? There's GLD and I think AUY is another one. No, that's Yamaha. Wait, this one had earnings, didn't it? I don't know. DraftKings flickering around over here. I need that thing to just go whoop right down. Back to the pre-market low. Good morning, Vix. What's up, Transcendent? How you doing? You made $5,400 yesterday on ISPO? Denny. Jesus. Atta boy. We love to see that, man. There you go. All righty, folks. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button as well. Help out with the algo. Get that info out there. Let's see. TLT thoughts for the day. Looks like it's coming up. I mean, I have a TLT call at like 138, so I need it to run up a little bit more, but see what happens with it. Bonds could easily make a move over here. Like the DraftKings and TLT call. The DraftKings puts and TLT call could just really set us up nicely for the rest of the day. Let's see. You got so much settled cash after yesterday's 255% gains on SPY puts. Don't give it back, Dave. Don't you give it back to them. Be careful. Be careful. Okay. SPY down 21 cents. Amy up 2 cents. TLT new highs in the pre-market. 137. Oh, now it's not, but it just was 137.50. Alrighty, people. DraftKings 1857. If you have the DraftKings puts, those are probably going to be pretty good. What are the price levels on the SPY blue box? It's like 435.50. Stop bypassing you, Cable. Down. What's so special about it? It's down 3. It's down about 3%. Regains compliance with NASDAQ. Did it reverse split? Is that what it did? What is this? What is M? Reverse split over here. Interesting. It has been climbing up. Little 1348 cross, but need to get above about 450 to I mean, that's a double from where they're at right here for the 200 EMA. Oh, antics. What's up, buddy? All that matters is that Citadel's under investigation by the DOJ. Nothing else matters. It's time we see Kenny Boy sweat. Yeah, I mean, yeah, they are. Ortex on it. All right, let's see. Cable. What do we got going on over here? Threshold list. 100% utilization. Whoa, 543% average cost to borrow. 27.49% estimated for interest. Got a lot of short interest on it. Got a lot of short interest on that thing. Amy, about 5 cents in the pre-market. SPY flickering at the low. It literally just gap up, fill it. Just instant gap fill. All right, TLT settling down around here. DraftKings, what do we got? Anyone else feeling we were going to have one of those surprising big Fridays? Dude, we could. It's possible. You and I have the same $19 puts on DraftKings. What percent do you think they'll be at open? 300, 250, 250, something like that. Wait, 1, 2, maybe more. Maybe more. They might be 400 or 500%. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, DraftKings moved 15.5% right now. If it sells off to the low at like 1780, those are going to really, really, really print. So we'll see. There were countless stories of banking customers who experienced trouble accessing their funds yesterday evening. No banks explained the source of the outage after Trudeau invoked the emergencies. That's weird. They're investing Kenny Boy, but he can likely pay off anyone who is even the slightest bit corrupt. Going to be difficult. Thoughts? Maybe. It depends. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what he can do. I have no idea. 1872 on DraftKings. Amy, 19 in the pre-market. SPY getting a little bit of a pop back up here. Windy today? Oh, it's very, very windy today. Are your hoodies thick? Yeah, this hoodie's very thick. All right, everybody. As you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm and get more people in here. Let's see what we got. All righty. So, Google Trends shows people search bank run. Whoa, that's not good. Today there'll be a sell-off due to fears of Russian invasion over the weekend. Oh, what's new? Sounds like a normal Friday in February. Like, come on, this is crazy. 1904 on Amy. DraftKings 1880 over here. He's confiscating bank account. Okay, what the hell is wrong with him? What the hell is he doing? Natural gas up 1.65. 700% weak with the space calls and puts. There you go. Oh yeah, I ditched that last space put. China says it does not agree with the U.S. decision to include some Chinese e-commerce firm in notorious market list. But I don't know what they're saying there. I think that's some like translation issues. Blinken. This mother effer. Blinken says U.S. seeing additional forces going to Ukraine border contrary to Russia claims of withdrawal. Blinken, shut up. Shut up, Blinken. We should encourage Russia to call their bluff. Why? You don't want war. Because then we all just have to buy like gold, silver, oil, and Lockheed Martin. That's literally what we would just have to do. All righty, everybody. Let's see. Hopefully we get some boom boom candles firing off today. We'll definitely be calling out some 1348s. Let's see how these DraftKings puts go. I mean, it's down 15% in the pre-market. That's pretty freaking big. DraftKings calls a total mess, but your puts must print when market opens. Yes. Stop playing earnings one way. Please. Please stop. Please stop doing that. So here's the thing. I feel like people are gonna be like, nah, no. I'm gonna play earnings one way. What are you talking about, STV? And then you're just gonna get burned a couple of times and be like, all right, okay, yeah, to play it both ways. You gotta play them both ways. If you play it one way, you're just gambling. Let's see here. Keith, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. Morning STV. I have lots of dry powder for today and next week. Bought another 50 AMC shares in the pre-market. Woo! Ready to take more money from the market makers. There you go, buddy. Let's see. Keith, thank you, bud. Appreciate that. DraftKings, 1874. Bitcoin to 39K by the end of the day. If it does, I mean, Riot and Mara will probably tank. What are Riot and Mara doing? Riot, down like a 0.5% in the pre-market over here. We were messing around with Riot. I think it was last week we were screwing around with it. SPY flickering. Amy, 1907, up 13 cents in the pre-market. GME up about 60 cents, about 0.5% over here in the pre-market. Should we all be going both ways on earnings all the time? Like, why are you playing it one way? You shouldn't be. Here's the thing. Earnings are a coin flip. You have no idea what the company's actually going to report. So all you really should do, and to put the math in your favor, is just play for a big or a small move. You can literally say, I think the company's going to move small, iron condor. You can be like, I think the company's going to move big, strangle. Easy. It's very, very simple. You shouldn't hinge your play on what the company's actually going to report in terms of good or bad news. You should do it based on how the market's going to react to whatever the news is the company's going to put out. That's why I do the math on it. So I just look at what the market's expecting. It's just like, okay, is the market expecting a big move? Yes or no? Recently they've been expecting big moves. So I've played them a little bit differently. I'll just go deeper out of the money for the next week to give myself a little bit more time and then leave those contracts there just in case. And then just see what happens. No, it's a strangle. Straddles are different. All right. Strangle is buying different strikes, calls, and puts out of the money. That's how I do it. Palantir will be big in the next week. Yeah, I don't know. Long term, I think it's gonna be great. Is this the Line Watchers meeting? Yes. I will clap back. Don't. I will. Let's see. Did BBIG hit SSR yesterday? Probably. Let me look. It should have. Yeah, I think so. SPY 437.15. Are you kidding, GME? What happened to it? It's up $1.24. Can you put the formula used to price options or earnings in the bottom of the screen? No. I'll just tell you. It's easy. You look at the option chain. You put up both calls and puts. Whatever the price currently is, you find the closest strike to whatever the price is. And you add the at the money strikes, call and put, whatever that number is. So if it's like 2 and 250, you'll have 450, and you'll divide that by whatever the stock price is. That is what the market's pricing in for earnings. And then I typically go double whatever that number is. That's why I like it between like less than 4.5%, because then you only need to go like 9% out of the money. Did you know the SEC approved BSTX? Yes, I did. I did know that. That's pretty interesting. So let's see where that goes. What's that? That's the blockchain stock market. Alrighty, people. Futures down. Yeah, where's natural gas? Natural gas coming up. Might be time for UNG at open. UNG is ripping. Dang. So if you got UNG, Alex Blunt, I don't know where you're at, buddy, but if you still have the UNG contracts, you might come back to life. So 1903 on Amy over here. So I'm saying a strangle on Burke A. I don't even think you can. Like, those contracts are going to be like 10 grand. Like, it's crazy. What is Biden's Ortex? I got no idea, dude. No idea. I mean, I would say he's heavily shorted. Cost to borrow is probably that. You got UNG contracts. Let's go. I would say that there's a lot of volatility on Biden because a lot of people are going very, very long, trying to cause a short squeeze on the shorts on Biden, who are very, very adamant that Biden's. I don't know. Lost yesterday on TLT calls. Need a winner today. Well, where's it at right now? TLT is pumping in the pre-market. BBIG, Big E. Down about 1% in the pre-market, 0.92%. 1902 on Amy in the pre-market over here. Oh, we got 30 minutes left to go, people. Here we go. Let me shoot this link over to TMI really quickly. All righty. All right. Where is he? There he is. All right. So what do we got? Spy calls today? Guys, just wait for the 1348s to tell you. Just wait. Just wait. No, and any crosses that we're seeing in the pre-market right now, they're not actionable, so we can't do anything based on them now. So we're just kind of waiting around. DraftKings, what are we looking at over here? DKNG, where are you at? There we go. Morning, STV. Ho, Ben Levine, what's up, dude? What's your thoughts on SPY today? I'm thinking more downside. Watch it at 430, 435.50, and then 435. If it gets into this box, maybe I'll mess around with some puts, but we've seen it many times. It comes down to the top of the box and then just rips right off of it. So I don't know. I might leave SPY alone a little bit today and just look at stuff like UNG. Like look at natural gas in the pre-market, 2.62% with natural gas spiking. Like that's decent. Oxy might be coming down hard, right? Yeah. So WTI crude is at 89.89. It's down 2%. So maybe puts on Oxy, stuff like that. DraftKings down girl. Yeah, keep it coming, DraftKings. Print on those puts, please. SPY trying to come up to that 13 EMA over here on the 5-minute. How come we don't see Rogue anymore? Rogue has a baby and like 2 other kids. The Redfin Strangle that you decided not to play, the put side did phenomenal. Right, but I also decided to play the DraftKings one. Redfin. Oh, Redfin. Killer on that one. 20. Well, how much were the 22s? Oh, man, those were nasty. Whoever hit those, good for you. I did want Redfin. Oh, but it's like the monthly, isn't it? Oh, you have so much time on these two. Oh, whoever played Redfin, good for you. That was a nasty one. The DraftKings could be pretty good. Oh, there it goes. All right, SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. 1902 on Amy in the pre-market. GME's up about $1 over here. Let's see what we get today. We got Citadel getting investigated by the DOJ. We got all these Fed people coming out with nonsense. We got Russia. The market's going crazy. Let's see here. Let's see. Snap. Snap, crackle, pop. What are you doing over here? Snap, flat. Waiting on the 1348 on it. SPY doing its thing over here. Amy, 1902. Sell DraftKings puts it open. I'll sell one of them. One of them might take care of the entire strangle. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Roku got rocked too. Yeah, they all did. Go read the DM I sent you. Amazing news came out yesterday. Ryan, what'd you send me? You didn't send me an article, I don't think, but the news. BTSX, first blockchain exchange. Yeah, so companies have to list on it. So they would have to go out and be like, I want to be listed on this exchange. Biden said, get ready for energy price increase. Wasn't his whole thing just like, no, we got to keep the energy prices low. We're going to get oil down. And he's just like, nah, they're going up. It's like, all right. Cool. Thanks. Ho, what's up, Nepal? How you doing? So much for streaming with the new way. What? I don't know what that is. Let's see here. You did something stupid. DJ, what have you done? DJ, what did you do? SPY and NASDAQ are going to make a fake pump, then dump just about. Yeah, I think so too. DJ, what have you done? Amy, 1907 in the pre-market. SPY popping up here to the 13. I'm looking for that little 5-minute MACD cross over here. DraftKings flickering around. Volume on DraftKings. It's pretty big. Amy volume 176,000 on Webull in the pre-market. Smash that like button, ladies, says Mr. Johnny London. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, just hitting that like button on the stream just helps get more people in here and play around. DJ, what have you done? You bought 3 calls on DraftKings, but no puts. Oh, DJ, I told you. Guys, gotta listen. Do not play earnings one way. Please stop doing that. It's okay. It's the riskiest thing you can do in the stock market besides shorting and selling naked calls. No, DJ's not getting sacrificed. I just say it so many times. Don't play earnings one way. And then people are just like, I played earnings one way. And I'm like, stop. All right, let's see. Long weekend ahead. Expect volatile day out. More slow news. Beware of head fake say. Yeah, 100%. 100%. What's Max drama today? I don't know, man. Somebody's going to come out with some drama. It's tough learning not to YOLO. The earnings plays are YOLO. Like they are, you can hit dirty ones. Like the Facebook one. You only need one. Honestly, like with all the earnings that I've traded this year, I only needed one. DJ needs a what? Have my $12 strikes on Palantir, grab a couple at open. Calls? I don't know if it's gonna. Oh, that's not. I mean, it's up 1.27% here. I mean, I wouldn't play options on the thing. I would just buy it long. That's what I personally would do. DraftKings. What are we looking at over here, people? This is the only stock channel I need. Brandon, I appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. Good morning, fam. Just me and Stella. How you doing? Is it okay to get extremely out the money calls on AMC today? I mean, if you want them to expire worthless and potentially donate to the market maker, then yes. SV gets that disappointed father look on his face when people talk about not going both ways. I do, because it hurts me inside because I know you're losing money. Even if earnings are good, the price can go down if they are not good enough for what the market thinks. Exactly. So earnings are a coin flip. You'd be better off just going out and YOLOing your entire bank. Okay, just kidding. You wouldn't be better off doing that, but be very, very careful. Can you still make money on options if the stock trades flat? Well, you would have to do an option strategy that's going to benefit when the stock trades flat. So you would have to sell contracts. So you could do an iron condor, credit spread, debit spread, or both of them, which is an iron condor. Morning, Vix. What's up, Emmanuel? How you doing, buddy? All right. So Amy flickering around, down or up. Sorry, 0.5%. I don't know why I'm super dyslexic this morning. GME up 80 cents over here. SPY moving down. DraftKings, sell, girl. Hit the like, says Phil. I appreciate that, buddy. I should get my pilot's license. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. That's about all I can do. You probably don't want me flying planes. Let's see here. All right. What do we got? Little Ortex update on Amy going into market open. Let's see what we get over here. AMC. Bing bong. The price is wrong. Bing bong. Gasparino's wrong. Bing bong. 100% utilization on 100% utilization. 1.48%. Holy shit. 2.22 million shares borrowed against Amy today. 21.15% estimated short interest. They got about, what is that? 7 million shares that they can use against Amy. Almost 8. That's a lot of shares. You sounded like Josh. Oh, yeah, he does do that. Calls on Enron? No. Sorry. All righty. SV needs coffee. Dude, I have like 2 energy drinks locked and loaded for today. I've been so tired this week. It's ridiculous. All right. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right, people. We got 21 minutes until the market opens here. Let's see if we're going to have some fun. Are we going to have some fun today? I think we're going to have some fun today. I think it's going to be a good time. Woo! All righty, folks. Calls on the VIX, like me, or like the actual volatility index? Because that, I mean, SPY is still green. Where's TLT right here? Is TLT continuing to make new highs in the pre-market? Because that would be dirty for those calls I have. Yeah, TLT still coming up. 137.72. Those calls might come back to life over here. Why is cost to borrow going up? Because it's not 100% utilization. Yeah, like the thing is that it's possible that cost to borrow is lagging utilization. It's very, very possible. But it's also possible that the data that Ortex is getting is nonsense and it's just not 100% utilization because it's impossible to have no shares in a lot of shares or very, very few shares and not see the cost of borrow increase. It makes zero sense. These institutions are in the business of making money. They see a money-making opportunity and they don't take it. No freaking chance. Market's going to be drunk today? Yes. Yes. Let's see. Oh, the apparition trader. What's up, buddy? Little name change. NRGV. Energy Vault. Whoa, up 86% in the pre-market today. If you have it, you're printing. I wouldn't chase it though. Amy selling off here a little bit. 19 minutes left until open. Yeah, that thing's ripping. That better be a lemon rain. They don't make lemon rains, I don't think. This one's white gummy bear, and then I have an orange one. Yeah, I wouldn't chase this. It's already up 85% in the pre-market. Careful with these things that go up. It's like the new shiny object. Be very, very careful. Hopefully next week cost of borrow goes up. Yeah, hopefully. But then after after the like halfway through next week, if cost of borrow doesn't start going up even a little bit, I'm gonna just throw a tantrum and just say it's bullshit, bullshit, bullshit all day long. Because it is. Like, you can't have it be like that for 3 weeks and then, like, utilization like that for, like, 2.5 to 3 weeks and not have cost of borrow go up. It's impossible. So something's wrong. This is exactly what I've been saying from the beginning. It's like something's weird about it. Either the utilization's wrong or the cost of borrow is wrong. We just have to see which one is the one that's wrong. TLT is up 138. Strike price looks good. That's what I have right here. I don't know. It could print. Who knows? It's up 0.6%, 137.61 in the pre-market. That could go. TLT can just go on a moon mission really quick. You got to find the lemon. Interesting. I've never had a lemon rain. That sounds interesting. Lemon heads rain. Oh, I've never seen that one. Antero Resources. Isn't that the one that we just looked at? NVIDIA. Chilling. It's up 0.3%. SPY's slightly in the red. Amy's at right flat at 19. I don't know. I think UNG is going to be a play today. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I might get some UNG at some point. So we'll see what happens with this. What about Boyle? Okay, Boyle's up big, so maybe Boyle. DraftKings, how are these doing? Flicker in here. So SPY doing its thing over here. Max Payne, 1950. You have a theory on why cost bar is low, but utilization is 100%? What's the theory? I'd love to hear it. Alrighty. All right, folks. It is currently 9:13 a.m. Eastern. What do we got? What do we got here? All right, people. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Oh, you guys are crushing it today. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate that a lot. DraftKings selling off again. I think this has more room to fall. Let's see what happens with it, though. We need Amy to drop to 1847 for a good old George W. Yeah, but like, do we really want it to drop there? Not really. Yeah, I saw the Ortex on Cable a little bit earlier. It was pretty wild. Not gonna lie, pretty freaking wild. Biden admitted he's invading Ukraine. I don't think Biden's invading Ukraine. You just grabbed 65 more AMC shares. Jeez, dude. There you go. I have $40 left of dry power. I need a good YOLO. Well, it is a Friday. Friday's usually YOLO day. So we'll see what happens. SPY's coming back down here. Let's see. I need DraftKings to just the bottom to just drop out of it. You need a caller line? Nah, I feel like that would be wild if people were calling in on the stream. We could maybe do that one day where I'll like get like a new phone or like I'll call people with like no caller ID and we can mess around with them. Let's see. Sup, dog? Sep late. What's up, Phil's Crib? How you doing, buddy? Dude, I slept in today too. I slept until 8. It's crazy. It's craziness. Mass gang. What's up, people? How you guys doing? It's Friday. Bullish action and wild behavior. Yes. And punch, always nonsense. Amy 1901 flickering around over here. DraftKings. The AMC squeeze will never happen, but love the education here. Hal 9000. I think you're incorrect. So I don't know why. You've been here for a while. I don't know what you're talking about there, buddy. Let's go. Roku is not having a good time. You're right. Roku is having a shitty time in the pre-market today. DraftKings is my nemesis. No matter what I do, it kicks me in the teeth. It seems like you played the earnings one way. All you had to do was get contracts on both sides. Like button. There you go. Tim. Yeah. Cavo Ortex was like 20, 30%. And then it was like, I think it was 100% utilization. And then like 500% cost to borrow. It was drunk. What's up, buddy? Wait, hold on. There you go.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Not much.
Oh, how's the finger doing?
It's fine. It was itching last night. So I was like, oh, that must be good.
That means you're healing.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Oh, did you play DraftKings?
I did not.
Did you get Roku?
I didn't.
Boy.
I didn't.
I was looking at Redfin. I wanted Redfin off of Zillow, and then I was like, yeah, I don't like it. That one was a killer too.
I didn't even bring it up on stream this morning for the Good Morning Ape Nation stream. I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna keep it to myself because we didn't really speak about it much, but I had a list of all the different tickers that I was looking for this week, right? And if I stuck to the list, a lot of them would have hit, just the strangles, right? RBLX, Shop, Nvidia, Fiverr, Palantir, Roku, Dropbox, DraftKings. 6 out of those 8 would have hit.
Mm-hmm.
I hit 4, but 6 out of those 8 would have hit. That would have been absolutely a ultimate run. But hey, look, live and you learn. This would have been puts would have been the things to play. And I want to take a second there to give a shout out to Meet Kevin, because this guy was freaking on point.
Yeah, everybody's giving him shit, but like the dude is right for now.
Hey, but you know what though? If he sold everything and then he got back in now, he would probably be up a solid 5% net.
And he has probably 10, 15% more shares with the same amount of money.
Stupid. And you know what? The only thing he did hold was AMC too. And when he made that announcement, I think AMC's actually up. To me, it literally looks like he made a perfect play. He held AMC. AMC actually went green since he sold out his investment, and then starting off hot. Starting off hot on a Friday. Oh my god. Oh god, good energy. Good fucking energy. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh. Man. We're having some fun this morning.
All right. Switch to a Zara mask. So this is the thing, people. I think when the mask comes off, the TMI live channel, I'm still gonna wear a mask for the live streams, but it'll probably be a different mask. I'll probably have like a mask 2.0.
A clear one?
I don't know if it's gonna be a clear one, but I'm definitely gonna have a mask where I can eat and drink throughout the streams, because that's the main thing that I really want, right? Is to eat and drink throughout the streams. And
if you put a hole in it, people are gonna make
no, because I don't want those jokes. Those jokes, those hole in the mask jokes, they come off a little bit different. People get real creative when they see a hole in the mask. They're like, "Oh, you have a hole in the mask, do you?" Was that an intentional hole? It's like, all right. I missed a joke. It's sometimes when you know somebody for long enough, you can just do one of these. Yeah. Like those mental jokes, and it just transfers. It just goes. That's what happens, people.
I just sent it through the metaverse.
That's it. Speaking about metaverse, did you see? Suing YouTubers.
What happened?
Suing YouTubers. Did you see that?
Metaverse suing YouTubers?
Not in the metaverse, just a general topic of YouTubers being sued by other YouTubers.
Who did that?
No, not yet, but apparently it's coming.
Oh, is that a
Yeah, he posted something. He posted a post of Cardi B that sued somebody for defamation and won $4 million. And then he said, "Oh, 20 million." I was just like, "Oh, so it looks like he's gonna be suing some YouTubers."
Good for him.
Yeah.
Good
I
for him.
mean,
Have
if
fun
he's
with
suing
that.
YouTubers, maybe I should be suing YouTubers too. Because we got ourselves locked and loaded, ready to go, baby.
Yep.
All right, guys. I'm about to go have some breakfast. You guys have a great one. My guy, I'll catch you in a bit. How was
Later,
the test?
buddy.
How was the exam yesterday?
It was pretty easy. It was just real estate stuff. So I just made an Excel thing and answered some questions. It was pretty easy.
Oh, gangster. Cool. You don't want to have too much of a crazy test going into a weekend. Just like, it's a long weekend. Come on.
I
Like,
know.
what are you guys
I
doing?
need to sleep.
I know. This is going to be decent. All right. Take care, guys. Actually, I probably won't catch you guys till Tuesday. So for some of you guys, catch you guys on Tuesday. And
You hop it out? You're not coming back on today?
No, I'm coming back on. But I mean, like some people that are on right now will probably check out because it's getting into a long weekend.
Yeah.
So like, I think today during long weekends, it's typically just slower days for the market. So buy puts people. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good one.
Later,
And
buddy.
don't forget to smash the like button or you're hedgy. All right. Deuces.
Later. All righty, people. Yeah. If you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Amy's down a little bit here. DraftKings still at the low. Let's see. Who do we got in here now? The Orev Lee. What's up, man? How you doing? Joshua. Fee rhymes with AMC. How's everybody doing? SCV1 Wrench. How you guys doing? Noel, how you guys doing, everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a good morning. If you got DraftKings puts, you're probably going to be pretty happy at market open, but we'll see. SPY selling off a little bit here. Let's see if we get any news on this thing. XPeng to be added to Hang Seng. Oh, hold on. XPEV pump. XPEV coming up. So watch this on a 1348 today. It's going to be added to the, I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Hang Seng Tech Index, the Hong Kong one. That's pretty good. Kremlin spokesperson asked about evacuation from Eastern Ukraine, says, I don't know what is happening there now. This is such a wild time. Yeah, so XPEV's coming up. SPY selling off here a little bit. Make that loot noise more often. Okay. Maybe. Alrighty. What do we got here? DraftKings. Selling off. You said Hang Sang well. Thank you. I appreciate that. Guys. All right. So we got 8 minutes left, everybody. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Don't look like a joke if they at least put on this little show. They look like a joke anyway. Stop messing around with war threats. Like that's not something you played around with. Careful, you might get sued for making that noise. Bro, fucking people that just go around just throwing willy-nilly lawsuits. Oh. Never mind. All right. Morgan Stanley relationships across Wall Street snared in DOJ probe. Yep. Looking at the 1348, would I be right to say that based on the 5-minute cross to the downside, there's a good chance that AMC drops to test the 48 on the 4-hour at 1830 before a possible bounce? No. The 5-minute, no. I just used the 5-minute. The 5 minutes probably not going to tell you like where it's going to go on like a longer time frame. The 5-minute, you're going to be like in and out within like a couple hours. Lee, Jesus, dude. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Ooh. Thank you, bud. I appreciate that super. What currency is that? What currency is this? I'm so confused. ZAR? Is that like New Zealand? Morning, Vix. Let's have a great day. Hit that like, please. I appreciate that, buddy. All righty. Lee, thank you so much for that super, buddy. South African Rand. That's pretty cool. DraftKings coming back up a little bit here. GME selling off a little bit. 58 cents in the pre-market over here. South African Rand. Gotcha. It converts to 0.02 cents, does it? I don't think so. It's only towards. Oh no, I don't care. Zero care in the world. Spy flickering around over here. AMC up 5 cents in the pre-market. Oh, GME, nice little pop here. Up $1.15. You had to go searching for the stream just now. Didn't get notified. Damn. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys have your notifications turned on for the channel. Hit that notification bell. YouTube's just playing recently. Let's see. It's like 20 USD. Lee, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. All right. Swoop. Spy back to life. DraftKings little pop. That's not what I want to see. All right. So I'm probably just going to ditch these DraftKings puts right at open. Because Spy's coming up here. DraftKings is getting a little bit of a pop. GME selling off here a little bit. What about UNG? UNG still looking good. TLT, what's this looking like over here? So TLT came down a little bit. Spy flickering over here. Hold your horses. All right, people, we got 5 minutes left to go. Let's have some fun. It's a Friday. It's YOLO day. I'm about to get out of all positions and go all in on AMC. There you go, Alec. Smash that like you freeloader, says hammer the money line. Appreciate that, buddy. All righty. Roku getting hammered. Yeah, Roku and Redfin looked like we're the play on earnings. Oxy looks like it hit a 4-hour cross down in after hours. Yeah, it might have. It might have. Let me take a look. Well, oil, this is like the first red week in 9 weeks for oil. So let's check it on the 4. Yeah. Yeah. Cross down on Oxy has to 36. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right. 4 minutes left to go. Let's do a quick Ortex update before we get into the market today. There's already been a boatload of shares borrowed on Amy. We got 2.22 million shares borrowed, 161,000 returned. Cost to borrow average 1.48%, 21.15% estimated short interest. So, let's see what we got over here. DraftKings, what are you looking like? What are you saying? GME, what the hell? What are you doing? They are attack. So yesterday they were attacking GME a lot. So let's see if they're going to come out today and do the same thing. Let's see. Sacrifice me to the stock god, says Diamond Backhand. Got you, buddy. Spot of 431 today. That would be dirty. That would be dirty. What up, Vix? What's up, Jerry Beans? How you doing, buddy? All right. DraftKings right hovering around 19 right now. Let's see what happens with this. Spy might move back down here a little bit. We got 3 minutes left to go. I'm going to kind of see what happens with the DraftKings. GME pop right back up on that nonsense candle. Amy up a penny right now. Very, very flat in the pre-market. AMC to max pain, of course, today. Well, it's 1950, so that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. How can they borrow shares forever with 100% utilization? Because the 100% utilization number, like I've been saying for the past 2 weeks, is nonsense without that increase in the cost to borrow. Let's see. Spy moving down here a little bit. DraftKings. Whoa! BioLife Hemp. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. Man, I appreciate that. SV, UTMI Train. A couple others are stock talkers. Then you have as AMC turns crowd. A Tendy Time. Who's Tendy Time? All just talk about each other and want to sue each other. You keep doing you. Stay out of the BS. I will, buddy. I think it's a bunch of nonsense. Thanks, BioLife. All righty. BioLife, thank you so much for that super, bud. I really appreciate that. All right, DraftKings coming down a little bit. That's what we like to see. Spy flickering. Amy, 18.98 over here. GME up 60 cents right now. Morning SV. Do you think BBIG could hit 350 today? It's possible, but it is down in the pre-market right now, isn't it? Biggie, what are you doing? Yeah, Biggie flickering around. Spy flickering as well. Let's see what we get over here. DraftKings. That's really what I'm focused on, getting in and out of at market open. Just kind of seeing where DraftKings wants to go on that initial candle. Apple jumping already. Ooh, is it now? Is it now? Hold your horses, Apple. Apple got a weird fake candle over here, so let's see what happens with it. Apple could be a nice little cross. What's the high of this little box? 171. Honestly, if the market starts to trend up today, which is entirely possible, Apple calls would not be the worst thing in the world to get to go in on. So DraftKings, 2 minutes left to go, people. Oh boy. Micron trying to climb in the pre-market. There we go. You think Gamma Ramp at 22? If we cross 22, that would be solid. DraftKings bouncing off the 30. Yeah, I got to ditch these right at open, I think. We'll see. Maybe I'll sell one and then wait on the other one. Did you mention whether or not the market is open or closed on Monday? Market's closed on Monday. All right, people. Less than a minute to go. Then we're going to have to go through a 3-day weekend after this. No more trading. We're going to have a day off, which kind of stinks, but you know, you got to just kind of go with it, right? Tesla boom boom candle. Oh boy. What about Lucid? Lucid we've been messing around with. Lucid down about 1%. SPY coming up. Kings, yeah, coming back up to 19. Amy, little bit of a red candle over here. Let's see what happens. Less than a minute to go. SPY's making a little bit of a moon mission over here. Oh boy, Nvidia popping. Ooh, everything's starting to pop. Loud sound of siren can be heard in the central Donetsk in eastern Ukraine. That doesn't sound. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Let's see what we get over here on these DraftKings puts. Oh baby, wow. Wow, the DraftKings puts right now are only up, okay, 95%. That is sad right here. That is sad. Oh, man. Okay, now they're up 120. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open over here. Yeah, that kind of sucks on DraftKings, not going to lie. All right, I'm going to ditch these right here because that's just piss poor performance on DraftKings. SPY popping up here. All righty. Wow. Those DraftKings really got just slapped in the face, huh? So Amy, 1901 at market open. SPY flickering up a little bit here. Let's see. DraftKings just kind of flickering here. I'm not trading anything aside from major ETFs until market stops being a prick. Fair point. All right. DraftKings selling back down. How did that happen? All right. Amy getting a little bit of a pop here. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move. Bloomberg reports the DOJ are now investigating Citadel. Yep. We got that. Yeah, I saw that last night. That's pretty. Amy with a nice little pop here. SPY flickering around. Anything crossing, let me know. I just got to figure out what to do with these DraftKings puts. They're not doing good enough. I mean, 13% is like a huge move, and the contracts are only up 70% right now. That's nonsense. 67. This is terrible. This is terrible. The Strangle's going to lose. All right. SPY flickering around over here. Let's see. I'll hold these DraftKings for a little while. GME getting a little bit of a pop here. Oh, but Nvidia shooting up. Fucking DraftKings. I have to sell this, don't I? Yeah, I got to ditch this right here. That's sad. That is sad on DraftKings. All right. Well, we'll see what happens. I still got those calls on it. I mean, it could come back. Nvidia popping. Micron. What's Micron doing? Micron, nope. GME, nice little pop. SPY flickering around over here. Amy, 1920. 1915. High of the day on AMC right now is $19.20. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algo. DraftKings will end the day over 20. Went low too fast. Yeah, NVIDIA calls printing. Yeah, NVIDIA rocket ship right now. Rocket ship on NVIDIA. Jeez, man. This thing just went boom at open. All right, see what happens with this. Check EVs, XPeng, so XPEV over here. Nope, didn't like that move. SPY holding up pretty good. Anything crossing? BBIG jumping. Yeah, trying to come up. AMC 1914, GME flickering around over here. DWAC pop. All right, BRCC going again. What's AMD doing? AMD, nice. It's trying over here. SPY moving up. All right, everybody. Amy, what do we got? What about Viac and Disca? Viac. Wait, there is no Viac. Para. It's Para. That's what it is. Not doing a whole lot over here. SPY moving down a little bit. Neo Red. Halt on this. Oxy. Oxy coming back to life. Where's Ung? Ung is holding up here. Where's natural gas? It looks like it wants to come up. We'll see about that one. Oxy going green. It might. Not sure why it's running, but I like it. Biggie. What we got going on here with you? It's coming up. GME looking good. 124.92 up 1.23. Amy up 1%. 1913 right here. SPY flickering around. Space dropping. Your put should be printing. Oh, I sold my last put yesterday. Is it getting a? I don't really want to play any more space puts. TLT. What's TLT doing? Okay, not bad. Kramer dumping his NVIDIA. Good. All he means is going to rip. Max Pain is $4. No, Max Pain's $19.50. So let's see what we got over here. SPY puts, not yet. BBIG, what's going on with it over here? It's trying to come up. It needs a 1348 cross and a closing 5-minute candle over the 200 to really start to get to the upside. Yeah, it's trying for that 200 cross. Let's see what we got here, folks. SPY moving down. Where did DraftKings go? Yeah, wow. I'm shocked on that DraftKings. UVXY is pumping. Yeah, UVXY is getting up here now. So, whoa, ho, 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 UVXY, what you doing over there, buddy? Head fake season, think we're going to go green on the SPY in the end of the day? It's possible. Verizon, maybe. SPY moving down, UVXY coming up. TLT might be making a move here too. Yeah, there TLT goes. Amy with some red candles over here. 1886 over here. SPY starting to come down. Calls on UVXY. There, yeah, UVXY is probably doing really good right now. Where is this? UVXY. Yeah, UVXY is ripping. Yeah, premium's a little expensive on it. So Amy flickering here. SPY moving down. TLT getting a pop. Lift crossing through. Space puts up over 100%. Yeah, I think I sold mine at like 200%. How's my DraftKings 2024 strangle losing money? It had to have been the IV that was priced into it. So it just didn't get what it needed to in order to. Fine. Oh, hold on. I just glitched out real quick. Are we back? Are we back, folks? I buffered a little. I buffered. All right. Amy selling off, coming down. TLT might go on a little movement. Where's Oh, that's not it. Yeah, is chilling right here. Micron puts printing. There you go. All right, Riot and Mara. What are these doing? Yep, Riot selling off here. So I'll get a little baby Riot. See what happens with it. All right, let's see. I got a little bit of a Riot play just to see what happens onto this downside here. So Riot coming back down. That was just a YOLO. NVIDIA attack. Yeah, Bitcoin falling. Let's see what happens with Riot. SPY flickering around here. Where's TLT? Amy selling SPY. Woo, right back up on the SPY. Tesla drop. Verizon looking good. Bitcoin below 40. Ooh, interesting. Where's Riot right now? Right as I buy that, comes back up. But if Bitcoin's falling like that, that's going to be interesting to look at. Palantir dropping more. Laser. Whoa, what is this thing? What is that thing? Riot. What the shit? SPY coming back up here. Pfizer cross. Upside. Okay, Pfizer 1348 cross to the upside. That one can honestly be pretty interesting on a Friday. So we'll mess around with this a little bit. Oops, I just want calls. Yeah, Pfizer looks good here. I don't know. Let's see what happens with it. Pfizer's coming up. SPY moving up. Pfizer looking all right. So let's see what happens with this. Ford running. Ooh. Head fake season. All right. Ford doesn't have a cross yet, but it is looking like it might want to come up. DraftKings. What happened with DraftKings? Is it ripping right now? There DraftKings goes. So, I don't know. That was a weird one. DraftKings was a real weird one. Coca-Cola cross. YOLO draft put up 105%. There you go, buddy. There you go. All righty. Let's see. SPY flickering here. What's up with DraftKings back down? Pfizer flickering up here. Riot. Riot looks like it might want to come down here. Roku tanked. Yeah. Pfizer puts. FDA block. Ooh, did it? Do I live in Florida? I do not know. Let's see. Rivian puts are printing. Lucid down big right now. No cross, but this thing is coming down. SPY flickering around over here a little bit. T crossing up. Head fakes. Yeah. It's going to be a very head fakey day, I'm guessing. All right, so AMC right now 18.82, down about 13 cents. GME up 43 cents, 0.35%. SPY's just kind of flickering around. Lucid's coming down hard right now. Jesus. Pfizer, how's this looking? Pfizer looking all right here. Riot. Let's see. Took 125% gains on the DraftKings puts. There you go. Do I live in Guam? No. All right, people. Let's see. All right. Netflix up 3%. Roblox down 5%. Damn, those contracts would have printed if I held them. All right. Let's see. Ooh, SPY coming back to life over here. Riot coming down. Riot kind of just doing what it wants to do over here. Amy coming down. SPY trying to make a move over here. Tesla tanking. GGPI. Full star. Ooh, this thing is looking like it wants to get spicy over here. SPY just kind of flickering around. Max Payne's 1950 today. So let's see what we get. Verizon's still pushing. Yeah, but no cross on it. No cross on Verizon. It's coming up though. I mean, if you want to YOLO it, you can do whatever you want. XPEV, yeah. See, that one had some news on it, but is it selling hard? Yeah. See, that's weird. They're getting listed on the Hang Seng index, so you gotta watch out. Riot, how's this doing? Riot on the way down here. Where's Pfizer? I might cut it quick. Pfizer holding. Pfizer's holding pretty good here. Riot on the way down. Let's see. Oxy boom. Hold on. Where's Ung? Ung not doing anything. Oxy, I'm probably not going to mess around with. Just we've done it so many times. It's like, all right, leave Oxy for a little bit. Pfizer. Flickery. Pfizer's flickery over here. Riot. How's this looking? Riot looks like it wants to come down. Nvidia taking a poop. Yeah. Corsair's about to cross. Ooh, Roblox tanking. Is there a cross on it? Holy, Roblox reds, GME red, SPY reds. So watch SPY come down to this blue box at some point today. I think that's what we're going to see at one time or another. Amy coming down about 1.65, 1860 over here. SPY making new lows. Everything just going down. No good crosses. Right. Hood's down 2%. Yeah, Roblox down 6%. Ortex on Amy. They borrowed like 2.2 million shares on it. 2.22 million shares borrowed on AMC. 21.15% estimated short interest on this thing. Riot, flickering, Pfizer. All right, cutting the Pfizer here. This is bullshit. Riot, you better go down soon. Quick, in and out. Riot, it's time to go. Yeah, here comes Riot. SoFi crossed down. Hit it now. Oops, that's the wrong chart. AMC, not AMD. Yeah, Amy at 1860 over here. Everything's flickering around. YouTube's not showing that I'm live. Bro, YouTube sucks, bro. All right, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. YouTube's been playing around so much recently. So if you guys don't mind, just helping out a little bit, hitting that like button, that's really the only way that it helps. Disco moving. Yeah, Disca coming up. Disca sometimes just doesn't care where the market goes. Up 202% on the DraftKings put. Damn, there you go. Go to Rumble? No. No. Disco looks good here. Riot put flat. I don't know if I want to take calls that the market's just going to capitulate itself, but Disca does look good right now. I'm not going to Rumble. All right, let's see. Bernie Sanders torched hedge funds. I don't know if he torched them, but he did not help. Riot just holding here. Holding. Lift cross down. All right. Yeah, lift cross down and selling really hard. Amy, 1868 over here. What do you think of Ung today? I don't know. Natural gas is up. What's it doing right now? It's bouncing a little bit here. Maybe I'll get something. What is it? 2.65%. What's that? Yeah. 2.85. I mean, UNG should go on a little bit of a run here. I'll see what happens with it though. If everything starts to sell off really hard, I mean, what's natural gas at now? Up 2.85%. I think it did a high of a little bit over 3%. Kenny Boy dumping? I don't know, man. It's possible. Let's see. SPY back down. Where's Riot? Oh, there's the candle on Riot. C-Sams, thank you so much for that big super, dude. You didn't have to do that. Hedge fund under investigation, FBI searching, and what happens? They just manipulate again. I think all these articles are fake because nothing happens. You gotta really think about how long that these are gonna take to play out. A very, very long time. All of these different investigations are gonna take a long time, and that's what you want. You want these investigations to be long and thorough, because then when they eventually bring the case, it's bulletproof and they can just spark these people that have been moving with the market, or moving the market and screwing around with the market for many years. Chilling out. Oxy. Yeah, Disca sold off a little bit. That's kind of why I'm like, Oxy selling off here. SPY, it looks flickery. Oxy coming down pretty hard. Riot, I mean, these are looking all right over here. Crypto tanking. Yeah, that's why I've got these Riot puts for today. I keep buying dip. There you go, bud. It's been a year. No. Since the investigation started, the DOJ, it's been like 4 months. Not even 3 months. They started in when did they start? Jorge, it's just common sense. You made $700 on DraftKings puts. Damn, did I botch this? Yep. All I had to do was hold for another 10 minutes. Riot selling off pretty hard here. SPY flickering around. Amy 1872 started August of last year, right? But like, think of how long these are going to play out. Let's see, dude. They let them off the hook in 08 with a slap on the wrist, and even though this DOJ shit is a charade to save face, right? Okay, cool. So then, what do you want me to do? I can't do anything. Lift cross on the 5. Yeah, lift did cross, and it was coming down pretty hard. That GME candle to the upside. SPY trying to move back up here. Are they still shorting at a 5% bar? No. It's like 1%. The cost of bar on AMC right now is like nothing. Let's see. Some people just want to whine. True. Let's see. Lift popping back up. Just keep making super chat. That's all you can do. Interesting, Jorge. Interesting comment over here. Jorge, you must have something in your rear end this morning if you're coming at me sideways like that. Jorge, if you keep up this attitude, you're going to be placed on the steps. Let's see. Riot come back up. Guys moving back up to the 13 on the 5-minute. AMC long calls. Not yet. I'm not doing it yet. Disca coming up. Yeah, Disco is looking good. Yeah, Disca does look good. Usually Disco likes to have some fun, so let's see what happens. Let's see. Disco, what is it looking like over here? I think they're going to be expensive because it's not going to... Oh, no, these are actually good. Oh, my God, they're dirt cheap. I don't know about this. I don't know about that one, but you can get some freaking cheap Disca contracts. Let's see here. All right, SPY flickering around a little bit. Let's see what we get here. AMC bounce, strong candle on GME. Yeah. STV reads more non-supers than any other YouTuber on AMC. I read everybody's comments. Just bought another 52. Phil's crib. There you go, buddy. Yeah, Disco looks like it wants to come up here a little bit. Everything is bouncing. You got 48 Pfizer puts for today. There you go. Where's Pfizer right now? Coming back down. Yeah, Pfizer on the downside. There you go. All right. Where's Disco? Am I going to pull the trigger on Disco? Yeah, I'll pull the trigger on Discovery. See, I have to buy in the monies on this thing. Actually, I kind of want to leave it be for a little while. The market's just very head fakey. We can see this little pop and then everything starts to come back down. Like, what's Riot doing right now? Riot, nice big green candle over here. The market just in general just looks weak. Let's see. Ban me. I will see you all in the future. Interesting, Jorge. Come visit me, buddy. Come visit. See what happens. Jorge comes in here making threats sometimes. Jorge, if you do that, Jorge, you are going to have some serious issues. Serious issues. Just letting you know right now. Just letting you know. Let's see here. SPY moving back up here. Riot trying. I'm going to visit you soon, STV. That's fine. Let's see. Amy coming up. SPY moving up here a little bit. F crossed up. Yeah. Yeah, Ford with a nice little cross. All right, let's see. Moderna looking strong. Yeah, Pfizer's selling off though, pretty big. All right. Are we good? Something just glitched out. YouTube just glitched out again. We're having issues. Yo, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear? All right, we're back. That was weird. Hello. I think we're back. Plug it back in. Yeah, white screen. I don't know what happened there. We're back. I saw that. That was weird, dude. Revenge of Jorge. It glitched. We're back now. Yeah, that was weird. Dude, I'm telling you, YouTube hates us over here. All right, Ford is looking good this morning. Let's see. Rumble. Dude, why does YouTube hate me this morning? This is crazy. All right, SPY coming back down now. I mean, Ford's looking good. Cyber attack. No. All right, Ford does look good over here. Your mic is lower. All right, let me turn it up a little bit. Riot coming back big time. Is it? Yeah, a little bit. Had to refresh YouTube. Dude, that was weird. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. This is weird. Oh, check Moderna. All right. Fine. Yeah, Moderna looking spicy. All right. Let's see over here. Nice little 1348 coming back up. Charge point boom booms. See, I like that a lot better than Moderna. A lot better. Nope, just kidding. mRNA. What do we got going on over here? Yeah, it's pumping. Let's see. John, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Peloton ripping. Let's see. Kai's Crazy Adventures. Appreciate that. No one ever makes good on treats like that. I mean, yeah, no, I know. It's just nonsense, bro. Let's see here. And if they do, pew pew. That's how that works. All right. Moderna is coming up here nicely. Thanks for all you do. John, I appreciate that, buddy. Snap is ripping too. Yeah, SPY's coming up here. All right. I'm going to get some of these Modernas really quick. Okay. The spread is drunk. Let's see. Lulu cross up. SPY moving up. Yeah, everything's starting to move up here. Actually, here's what I should do. Oxy and Uber running good. Dude, Uber has been such a dirty one recently too. Yeah, but Uber head faked me so bad the other day. They just rug pulled it. Got some GGPI on the 1348 cross. Did you now? Hold on. Never crossed, but it got close. It was like looking decent over here. Oil plays running. Where's Ung? Ung not doing so. Oxy running. I mean, Oxy was tanking. Oxy back to life over here. Moderna calls expensive. Yeah. Para cross up. That's Viacom now, right? Yeah, crossing needs to get above the 200. Riot head fake. Which way? Are you avoiding the AMC topic? No, what AMC topic? Amy's at 1910 right now. It's right here. AMC's right here. I don't want to hear any of that nonsense. All right. Viacom looking all right. SPY coming up pretty big over here. Oh, baby. Hold your horses on the SPY over here. Starting to get a little jumpy, huh? GME coming back to life. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Snap going. All right. Snapchat. Yeah, Snap looking good over here. It's right here. Amy, right here. Big boom boom. 1905. I was looking at your chats trying to make sure YouTube wasn't freaking out again. Let's see here. Blue candles. All right. IWM 200 testing up. Yeah, SPY moving back down here. Snap coming down. You're showing ankles today? If we close above 20, you guys get ankles. VIX needs to look at it. What do I need to look at? Thoughts on BBIG? Is it coming up hard? Can you give my daughter a shout out? Allison. Shout out to Allison Lisney. We need some Don Julio 1942. We do. We're at 1905 right here. SPY's just kind of flickering. Actually, hold on. I didn't do something that I needed to do. All right. These need to go. All right. Abbott, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Morning. Love this channel. Thoughts on AQST? All right. Let's take a look at this. AQST. This one can just get really spicy quickly. So you got wait, hold on. This probably filled. Yeah. All right, cool. This is like what do they do again? Leverage far film. See, okay, central nervous system disease. It could be good. They just need, it's like a biotech. So biotechs are going to trade a little bit differently than everything else. It's going to be just some like random news catalyst that just sends it going to the absolute moon. So you got to be careful. BBIG cross. Yeah. Where's like Lucid? Lucid trying to come back to life. Where's that Verizon that you guys were talking about? Nah, came right back down. Verizon and AT&T just do this. These shark fins over here. Lulu now above the 200. All right. Damn it. Keith. Yeah, Lulu at a cross here. SPY trying. I don't know. I do. What about FedEx? What about FedEx? Amy selling off to the 25. Nothing on FedEx. UPS. Probably nothing as well. Yeah, nothing. Lulu. Coming back to my roots with my Lulu trades. Riot ready for green. Good. I ditched that. All right. Let's see here. Can you please check GPK? Up. 1348 cross coming up here. Not bad. Not too bad. Oxy cross on the 200. I only like the expensive options, apparently. XOM USO next cross, all running oil plays. USO's the one that I like. And it's not above the 200 yet, but they are coming back up. Where's Lulu? Is it up decently today? Coming back down. Will not go long today. 3-day weekend bear market. Yeah, I might wait a little bit and just see where things are going to head. What do you think about the Johnson & Johnson news? J&J? J&J. What's the news on it? Pregnant women vaccines? That's interesting. Max Payne equals managed event. Stop with this managed event stuff, people. Can you pull up the 1 minute on AMC for a second? Yeah. Yeah, it's just flickering here, trying to get above the 200. 1348 cross. Couldn't really hold it, though. AR is ripping. What's AR? Yeah, this thing's getting up here again. Antero Resources. Interesting. SPY flickering around over here. Oh, baby powder. Oh, that's not good. That's not good news. They should be selling off hard on that. So SPY flickering around here. Where's Lulu? Heath, did you get those Lulus? This is boring. Dude, the market's been yesterday, or no, the day before, the market was very boring. There was nothing going on. They have lawsuits trying to cover up. Yeah. All right. AMC flickering around. Come on, SPY. Doesn't VIX usually come down when the SPY is up? Yes, but the SPY is it's pretty flat. Like, where's UVXY right now? Like, UVXY tanked on this little SPY move coming back up. Now it's getting a green candle. It should move like almost directly inversely. New high on Pfizer. Yeah, Pfizer not bad over here. What about those Modernas that we were looking at? Moderna trying here. SPY trying. Do you think we'll see the market react to the DOJ investigation? No. It's just a nice development. Like, that's all it is. Can I explain the indicators? It's the 13 EMA, the 48 EMA, and the 200 EMA. SPY back down. Yeah, everything's just super head fakey right now. Where's TLT? TLT 137.24. I think we're gonna see more moves going into the later half of the day. BBIG needs that boom boom. Where is it? It's doing all right over here. What's going on with this? Oh, existing home sales. We just got home sale news. Bank of America. It's trying here. Man, you only pay attention to paid comments. I'm out. C Diddy. That's just wrong. C Diddy. That's like the most wrong thing ever. All right. DraftKings halted. No. Let's see. The GME morning. No, we do. J&J covering up the fact they know they were causing. Yeah, that's not good. DOJ investigation priced in the market. Yeah, C Diddy, fuck off. Like, get out of here. Everybody in here knows that that's not the case. We got a lot of trolls in here today. This is interesting. All right, Bank of America coming up here. SPY flickering around. On the book, I've never paid any comment, and he reads all mine all the time. Exactly, Market Basket. He reads more. Exactly. Like, this is you read my comment yesterday. Thanks, Barrett. There we go. That's hilarious. Dude, I know. It's just everybody's freaking out today. I don't know why. It's like a little bit of a red day, and people are like, I hate you. It's like, all right. Like, I didn't do anything. Let's see. Vix has never read any of my XYZ. Get out of here with that. Let's see. You just gotta have a cool name like mine, SCV1 Wrench. Yeah. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. You're the one YouTuber who actually talks to us. I do talk to you all the time. 275% on DraftKings puts. I'm out. There you go. What happened to my Snap? I don't have any Snapchat. But it's selling. Little shark fin on this one. He reads a lot of mine too. I'm yelling though. Subi, you always though. You don't read my comments? Shut up, Dan. I read your comments all the time. Shut up. All right. SCB never pays attention to me. Squirrel, I pay attention to you all the time. Not a hedge fund. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Sorry I'm quiet today. Fighting on Twitter. Oh, God. Who are you fighting? SV, I'm a fan for life. I always got your back. Market Basket. Appreciate that, buddy. Everything's just kind of flickering here. GME coming down. Market's just getting very, very head fakey. So let's see what we get going into the later half of the day. He reads almost all, but not the stupid ones. I still read the stupid ones. I heard you say my name, and I've not ever commented. Corsair. I was probably talking about Corsair Gaming. Up 100% on Uber puts in 5 minutes? How in the shit did you do that? Oh, you just took those. There you go. Tesla 860s, dumb not to buy long, right? Yeah. I mean, if you like it long. What's up, DORev? How you doing, buddy? All right. SPY moving back down. I'm probably not touching a lot of things right now. SPY, you go in after price goes above the 200 EMA? Yes. Call City right now? No. So Citadel is getting investigated opposite of the Asperino tweet? Yes. So he's the one I have you do shout outs to. Oh, yeah. TLT getting a candle again. It better be to the upside. It's trying here. SPY coming down a little bit. Because utilization is not at actually 100%. It's wrong data. It's got to be. Seriously, 296,000 calls out of the money. Do we never learn? I guess not. I mean, we talk. That's the thing. Like, no, like that's the thing. When people are like, okay, so here's a good example of this. People are like, you're manipulating the market. You're causing people to do stuff. Guys, we've been talking about the option chain and how things affect stuff for months. And you know what changes? Nothing. Like, come on. Literally, we've been talking about the effects of in the money in at the money options having more of an effect for so long. And just it never changes. There's always 200,000 contracts plus out of the money every single week. If anybody's going to be like, you're manipulating, it's like, oh, we'll just look right here and be like, yeah, no, nothing that we say anybody takes seriously. Right, coming down. SPY's coming down. Everything's starting to come down. TLT's moving up here. In the money calls are the way. Yeah, I mean, they're not the worst thing in the world to be doing. All righty. Would you buy a 490 SPY call for 2023? Maybe. I take angles seriously. What happened to my AMC put? Well, that's a stupid question because I don't have an AMC put. Amy flickering around over here. Long Vic short SPY. I don't know. I'm really watching it at this blue box level. If it breaks this, I'll start grabbing puts. But until then, it's just going to probably flicker around over here. So we'll see what we can get. Verizon about to cross again, like down or just, no. Up 5% on my account for the day. Thank you, 1348. I'm off to work. There you go, David. Weeble is glitching a little. Anybody else having any issues? I don't think so. I learned more here than anywhere. Julie, I appreciate that. All right. Amy, trying to come up a little bit here. I'm 3 times SV's age, trading 37 years, an admin moderator of 3 stock chats. I find him refreshing, knowledgeable, with infectious enthusiasm, but I have no clue how he pees and washes his hands so fast. That's funny. All right. AMC right over here, 1872, just kind of flickering around. SPY's moving its way back down over here. I was having a lot of Weeble issues yesterday. I was too. But it was after hours. And I was like, why is it? I think it was my phone was glitching out. SPY, literally nothing really is happening right now. Roku close to crossing. It's just going to be too expensive. Yeah, Amy back down. You must have 20/20 vision. I don't. I can't see anything. I'm like completely blind. I predict the market will go up and down. Very true. Very true. Yes. All right. 1866 on AMC over here. SPY on its way back down. TLT. What's TLT doing? New highs yet? Nope. PBIG 1 minute chart looking interesting. Biggie. How we looking? It doesn't look ideal. How's the finger? It's fine right now. It doesn't hurt that bad. By the dip on VXX. There shouldn't be a dip on VXX right now. It should be coming back up. LVS crossed up. Las Vegas Sands. Yeah. I don't know, man. I almost just want to sit it out and just be like, like the market's just not picking the direction. Show me forearms? No. It's my 3rd day of a hunger strike till MOAS. That's not good. Yeah, I have contacts. SPY coming down to the 13 here. Amy, 1870. Where's Roblox? Selling off again. What's ISPO doing today? I don't know, but I wouldn't chase it. ISPO down 28%. That's kind of why we were saying, it may not be the best idea to filter into that thing. But let's see here, everybody. SV doesn't wash his hands because they're made of paper. I mean, right now they're made of paper. Let's see. Thanks for reading my stupid question. I mean, it is a stupid question. Bought $85 calls expiring today. Am I helping the squeeze? Shut up, not a hedge fund. No, you know you're not. Amy, 1871. GME over here, 123.70. ISPO. I don't even want to leave ISPO on the screen. It's just gnarly. Micron. What are the chip? Nope. Dude, this is why. I mean, I've screwed up hand, but Micron selling off here. Double bottom on chip makers. Good morning, STV. Diamond Bald Cat. What's up? How you doing? Oxy about a rip. Oh, where's Ung? Ung, Ung is selling off here. Oxy does look all right. Oh, now WTI crude is coming back to life. What about USO? USO's coming up here. So I would go for a little bit more USO. Why don't I use level 2? I don't like, you could see the sell wall on it, but they flicker around. There's a lot of spoofing going on. So you look at it and you're just like, yeah, it's like, I can throw it up here. I would just have to log in. Moto investors, thank you so much for the super. Vix, I don't understand why people don't get notified because I got you on VIP. Every time I go to my YouTube, they just need to click notifications. They're also, and also, by the way, Jorge, go kiss some bears behind. Moto adventures, thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Francisco, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. And you still looking spicy since yesterday's move. Yeah. All right. I'm going to get some USO. We're going back. We're becoming oil barons again. That is what I'm doing. It's oil baron time. Let's see what happens here. See if I can get filled on this. And then NU was the one that you were looking at. Yeah, NU is looking all right. USO. Yeah, USO looks good. You better fill me on this, you big a-hole. How are you not going to fill me at that? Like, how? How? There it is. Got it. So, going to play by the rules. I'm getting in a little early, but let's see. Oh, oil is coming back here. It's flickering around. I don't know. USO looks all right here. Let's see what we can get on it today. SPY's coming down. USO looks good. I don't know. Let's see. AMD 1348 to the downside. AMD. Sorry, I didn't mean AMC. Yeah, AMD double bottom over. Well, no, 1348 on this one. SPY moving down here. John, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see what happens here. Paper hits. No. I've been good at diamond handing oil. I've been good at that. Exxon cross above the 200. Oil might be the winner. Natural gas struggling. Coming down to the 48 over here. Let's see. STV Wen Wrench. Appreciate the supers, guys. I really appreciate that. Uber about to cross. In all seriousness, Corsi is having his colon cleaned at 2 p.m. Wish him luck, bro. Thanks for the stream again. Oh, man. Good luck with that. Let's see. SPY flickering around over here. Thank you guys. And as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Was that a legit AA tweet? Which one? About the donating shares? Yeah, it looks legit. Let's see. SPY moving down here. It's gonna hit USO a little bit. Let's see what happens with oil. Chilling over here. Just chilling. Yeah, I think it was a legit AA tweet. AMD coming down. Did it break that low? Yeah, AMD selling off here. SPY coming down. Dash just crossed up on the 3-minute. Interesting. Yep, I guess apes hate that Citadel news and decided to sell. Obviously, that's exact. Oh, AMD selling off hard here. Let's see. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super. He stopped replying. Now I'm sad. Did you just bust him up with logic? Oh, USO coming down a little here. Let's see what oil's gonna do. I still like it. It's another day of wearing my bear suit. Yep. SPY flicker in here. USO coming back to life. $40 strike calls on AMC for today are stupid cheap. Good luck. No, stop, mouse. You're being an a-hole. All right, people. BBIG, I keep putting in alerts at 327, so I feel like I'm winning as they keep going off. Is it just flickering around there? MTTR cross, Matterport. Yeah. Oh, this thing is getting spicy over here. Let's see. What is going on here? All right. I want to become an oil baron. Where's USO? Do the right thing. Close. Going to $60. What, Matterport? Is that what you're talking about? That's $6. What are you talking about? Got his oil bear suit on. I've got my oil bull suit on. New highs on this thing. Spy flickering around over here. Kenny G leaves country. Building burns down. Citadel under investigation. Something's brewing. Yeah. Dow green, but so much red otherwise. Yeah. USO. Come on. All right. Amy flickering around over here. Trade streaming for 24 hours tomorrow. That sounds reckless. Oh, USO. There we go. Ford still looking strong. Here comes BBIG. All right. I need to get USO off my screen so I don't paper hand the shit out of it. BBIG looks all right. Spy coming back. Oh, Spy is pushing oil. I don't want that. I don't want that to have Uber cross. Well, up or down? Uber crossing up, having some fun over here. Spy, back to life. Is this going to bring down USO? No, it's actually helping it out a little bit. Yeah, Uber did cross. EVgo. Space news. Do I get back into my put? Holy shit. That's gnarly. George W. on Amy. Can I look at Workhorse? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. All right. Might do a little bit of a 5-minute MACD cross here. And June was after a holiday. Yes, but remember, we already kind of did just have a holiday like a month ago, I think. And then everybody was like, it's gonna go, and then it didn't. So be careful. Don't get your hopes up too much. USO, how's this doing? Flickering. Where's oil? If WTI crude goes red to green, USO could go nuclear. F's in the chat for Ford calls. How is Ford doing that? Like, is it all right? And Ford looking good over here. Spy just flickering, being an a-hole. Spy needs to pump. It doesn't need to, but like it would be nice, wouldn't it? All right, Ford back down. Uber, and then Matterport, MTTR, and then let's check Disca. Wow, Matterport doesn't care. Disca, how did that end up? Yeah, Disca came back down. Spy coming back down now. USO. I don't expect much, but maybe. Yeah. I mean, you can always hope. You can always hope. Oh, crude coming back. Market just being stubborn or waiting on any new. I don't think there's anything supposed to be coming out today. It's tough to hit a good one with all these head fakes up and down. What do you think about long AMC June call, $17, $21 strike? That's not the worst idea in the world. But I can't tell you what to buy or not to buy. Like, it's close enough to the money. Like in general, if you're thinking about options, you gave yourself time, you bought close to the money. Like, that's just, it's close enough. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. He was some ex Wall Street guy who lost the state election and said we were all dumb. I DM'd you the thread if you want to laugh a little later. Oh, I'll definitely watch that one. I read MTTR Matterport's earnings report. I don't think it deserved to dump as much as it did. 3 Fed talks today? No. Matterport is above 7. No. Flickering. Spy coming down. Oil holding. You can buy the Spy, like all of it. That'd be pretty cool. Russian threats. Well, if the Russian's going to threaten everybody, how about we get oil running? How about that, huh? All right. You made 70% on NVIDIA puts, sold too early. A win is a win. Oh, definitely a win. Definitely a win over there. Spy flickering over here. Amy coming down. New lows on AMC over here. 1849 on AMC, down 2.3%. USOs chilling here. GME coming down as well. Calls on USO expensive? No, they're not. They're dirt cheap. Margin calls are 10.20 today. No, stop it. Thoughts on AT&T? It just moves weird, man. It's looking all right. Like Verizon and AT&T do those like weird head fakey moves where you're like, oh, great, it's gonna go, and then it just shark fin, and you're like, god damn it. 2.2 million borrowed against AMC. Yep. Probably shouldn't use the words Russian and spy in the same sentence. Probably, but if they're gonna ban me for that, they need to stop being soft. Because they should know what I'm talking about. Up 178% on a Palantir put. There you go. CPE, good oil company. How'd you do on your test? I think it was pretty easy. I don't think it was very hard. USO, I'm chilling. Oh, GME is getting hit hard right now. Uh-oh. No excuse for the red? Yeah, not really. Bro, whatever geopolitical news makes oil move will make natural gas move harder. Right. Natural gas is up right now, but the natural gas funds are not moving. That's the thing. Like, what's doing? I got a little pop here, but nothing too crazy. And then Boyle was doing something today a little bit earlier, but Boyle's doing the same thing that is doing. It's like, all right, cool, man. Just well play USO, United States Oil, because if oil is going to come back, I mean, USO usually gets the first move and can run a little bit more. Did Ford do something? Oh, Ford does look a little spicy today. Where's Lucid? Flickering here. You got a busy day today? Why would I have a busy day today? Okay, guys. What the hell did you do to Ford? Ford booming? Not anymore. Ford big candle downside. It's getting eaten back up here though, but that was bad. Nvidia dropping, SPY dropping here. Oil, are we back to yeah. AMC cost to borrow, please go up. I would love to see that. Is it going to happen? I don't know. I like the utilization doesn't seem real right now. All right, it's closing above here. I think it could just go boom. What's the pre-market high? 64.52. I'll freaking take that, man. You jinxed it? I didn't jinx it. The chat jinxed it. That was not me. You guys called it out, and I looked at it, and all of a sudden, it just goes tank. All right, SPY moving back up here a little bit. Oil over 100 historically means recession. Right, but it's not. It's at like 80. Well, yes, you're right. Cost to borrow won't rise until the synthetics start getting removed. I don't know about that. Uber crossed up and over the 200 now. Uber. It's close. See, everything's just I just feel like safer just going into oil and like natural gas. Thoughts on DraftKings? I'm pissed. I paper handed. It's the only explanation for having 100% utilization with cost of borrowing near zero, or it's just wrong. Because it's weird that they just all shot up recently, like at one time. It doesn't make any sense that like randomly the utilization just rockets on a lot of different stocks. It doesn't make a lot of sense. All right, USO holding. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, crude oil is coming back to life. Why is it taking AMC forever to get back above 20? Well, one, it's a big psychological level. Two, it's a little bit of a danger zone. And we just haven't seen the buyers be willing to step back up into that level yet. So oil's coming back to life over here. SPY moves up and AMC's still moving down. What gives? Guys, I feel like we've been over this many times. It's just what happens. SPY is not moving up. SPY's moving down. AMC's coming down. Nothing is following the SPY. Holy Ford. Did it go again? No, Ford's just getting volatile over here. It's up 3% right now. You getting hella shorted by YouTube? M. Kriegs, what happened? Is YouTube messing with me? Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. This is just nonsense today. Like my screen flickered out and was being weird. Like this is weird. Like something's going on with YouTube. Synthetic buyers. Watch if SPY turns red on the day. Where is it now? Oh, it's a penny. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh, spaghetti-o. What's TLT doing over here? How's the TLT? Here comes TLT. You're glitching in and out. Oh my God, dude, you're not that important. Dude, Corey, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying YouTube is having a problem in general. They always have issues. All right, TLT moving up. There's nobody at YouTube that's just like, this kid, nerf him. Like, that's not how it works. Got kicked and then had to go do an act. Yeah, that's so weird. Let's have a great Friday. Print. John, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Palantir at 10. Let's see. Jeez, Palantir down again. Man. SPY coming down here. Fun fact: my friend rents her property to oil companies to pump oil. She has 6 pumps on her property that pay her 35 grand a month. Julie, that's insane. That is ridiculous. All right, everything's starting to sell off a little bit here. Let's see what we got going on. Ford back up. Yeah, Ford. SPY coming down. Ford coming up a little bit here. Shaq's had no issues streaming his Funhouse. Yeah, it's just glitching out, man. It's fine. Let's see here. Can you check AMC options chain? Some dates disappeared, like the 318. It should still be there. No, it's right here. Here it is. Calls. They're all still here. Amy, 1831, down about 3.2%. SPY flickering around here. Ford does want to get a little bit jumpy over here. So this looks a little interesting on a 1348 cross, and it does look a little bit spicy. So let's see what happens here with Ford. Wow, these are dirt cheap. Let's see. All right, I got some Ford calls. See what happens. Where's USO? Yeah, Ford ripping. USO chilling over here. GME trying to pop back up. SPY doing its thing over here. Why is the market collapsing so hard? It's not. It's still SPY's still green right here. Late to the stream today. What's max pain? 1950. So let's see what happens on these Ford. Oh man, these contracts are gonna print. These are gonna print. If Ford goes to 1850, these contracts are gonna go absolutely ballistic. I'm already up 31% on the contracts I just bought. Let's see here. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Just helps out a whole lot with the algo. Wow, these Fords are gonna volatile. I might get some free ones until the end of the day. How much is all right? So I can get 3 free Ford contracts if I really wanted to right now. About not anymore. Let's see what happens. SPY's coming back down. Ford really wants to get jumpy. You're up 82% on Ford. You've been holding for 3 days. There you go. Yeah, now they're up 6%. Let's see what happens with it. T is about to make a decent move. Nice. Yeah, USO looks all right. SPY trying to come back up. Let's see what Ford wants to do here. Yeah, Ford looks good. Ford touching the 13 on the daily. There you go, Nepal. Oh, these are dirty. These are dirty. Let's see. I don't know. I'm hoping it gets to 1850. That's kind of what I want to see on Ford. If it can get to 1850, that's going to be disgusting. 150% on Ford in 35 minutes. There you go. Oh, man, these are nasty. Yeah, also, everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out. YouTube's been glitching around today. I guess we've been having a lot of issues. So if you guys don't mind helping out a little bit, it would mean a whole lot. Helps out a whole lot. How's the finger? It's not bad. It's a little itchy right now, so it's fine. 31% on Ford. I have like 20 contracts. That's crazy. Get up there, USO. Is it going? Yeah, these Fords are dirty right here. So USO or USO's printing. Yeah, USO's looking all right over here. Ford is getting nasty today. Yeah, here we go. So I'm up 62% on Ford right here. Woo! Woo! There you go, Ford. Ford is looking really spicy over here. SPY, if SPY holds and can come up a little bit, Ford's gonna go nuclear. GM looks like Ford. Yeah, I'm up 68% on Ford right now. Jesus, this is gnarly. 81% on Ford. The premiums are just exploding. Oh, it's flickering. Oh, that's why, because they're what do you call it? Only 5. Wish I got more. Yeah, I got a bunch of them. I use the bullseye. What is that? All right, maybe I make these free. I think I should get some free ones. I can set. Wait, how many can I get? SPY down. Watch Ford might sell off a little bit here. USO, how are these doing? USO looking all right here. Amy coming down. SPY moving down too. 81% on Ford. Damn. Damn. All right, here we go, people. You bought 12 Ford contracts, up 40%. I mean, right now I'm up 81. I should do something smart with it. I have a lot of USOs, so I got to be careful with USO. All right. If Ford hits 1850, I'll sell some of them. AMC just getting taken down right now. Let's see here. Jesus, 106% on Ford. If it goes up again, I'll make it free. All right. What do I need these at? 16? Yeah, I got to sell 10 at 16. Oh, I can do it right now. Interesting. Yeah, Ford's flickering here. I'm gonna put out a little sell order at this, try to make them free. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'll hold them for a while. SPY moving down here. Ford might flicker around for a little bit. I don't know. These are getting pretty volatile. Ford's having some fun this morning. If it really starts to get back up to that previous high, that could be a fun one. So let's see what happens with those. The USOs are down a little bit. Now I'm only up 50% on the Ford, but I mean, they're still nasty. 56%. It's just flickery over here. Amy coming down, SPY moving down a little bit here. You need SPY to kind of get a little bit of action unless the buyers just step back in and go boom right up on Ford. 330% on Ford. There you go. All right, let's see what happens with this. All right, maybe I'll ditch some more of these orders. Ford back down. SPY coming down here. I might ditch the Ford. Ooh, they're back to almost even. These are volatile contracts over here, people. These contracts are very volatile. If you got it on the 1348, that would have been the dirtiest trade of the day. SPY coming down pretty hard here. Oil coming back to life. Let's see here. It might drop soon. Yeah, cut some. Yeah, I'm about to. Let's see what happens with it. SPY coming down pretty hard. Here comes Ford to the downside. All right, let's see what we get over here. Ford wants to get a nice little candle back up. SPY. Ooh, SPY is not having fun. Where's TLT right now? TLT ripping up. USO, where's USO right now? Is it above? No, interesting. So Ford, how are these looking? Ford trying to pull back up here a little bit. All right, Ford flickering. Amy coming down hard. SPY coming down hard here. It's holding at 18. Nah, there it goes. Oh, shit. I got to cancel one of those orders. All right, let's see. Disca dropping hard. Yeah, everything's probably dropping hard right now. SPY trying to make a move back up here. Ford flickering. Told you guys red day long weekend. I mean, we all thought this. SPY flickering here. All righty. UVXY ripping. Yeah, Ford. Big shark fin on Ford. Where are the TLTs at? Down a little bit, but TLT looks good. USO chilling. Where's oil right now? And it's coming back to life. Holding USO through the day? Yeah, I probably will. 20 puts up 50% on Ford. Atta boy. Yeah, big candle on Ford to the downside here. That was no fun. Here comes SPY back down. So it's now made a new low. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Mm-mm-mm. 5-minute MACD cross down. What about on the 1 minute? 1 minute doesn't look good either. All right, Ford trying to pull back up. Thoughts on ATVI? Big shark fin. Is 18 support on AMC? Could be. That's the thing. Like it could be. But it also could not. It also could just sell right through it. SPY looks flickery to the downside here. All right. It just came down and basically double bottomed here. USO, how is this looking? There goes USO. AMC vertical. AMC is not vertical. All right. SPY pulling back up here. There comes USO on the way up. There we go. Down a little on the USO calls. Mine probably just went green. Mine are still slightly in the red, which is a little weird with this nice little move up. Ford holding VWAP. There you go. Crash, crash, crash. Triple bottom on AMC around 17. Yeah, where's SPY here? Oil is coming back to life, though. Yeah. Natural gap. Where's UNG? Did UNG make that move finally? Nope, still holding here. SPY holding. TLT. Yeah, TLT is coming up. 100% on Palantir. There you go. They're using the shares that they had borrowed. They easily could be right now. There was like 2 million borrowed shares. Yeah, USO looking good. What happened to SoFi? I mean, it's probably selling off with the market, right? Yep, selling off with the market. Oh, who nuked the market? Probably Biden. I don't know, or Putin. I don't know. Let's see, but oil plays are coming back to life here. I think the 07. 09's the high over here. It's coming back up though. Let's see what these are at now. They're flat. Interesting. Bipolar market. Yeah. Yep. SPY trying to get a little pop here. Qualcomm thoughts. Long term, fine. Where's my prank fam? Cool. Doubt it. Look at PayPal. It broke 104. PayPal coming down. See, Squirrel, what are we looking at for see, I have this level right here at 435.50. If it breaks that, I kind of want to get into some puts. But other than that, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep messing around with oil. Ford, what happened there? Oh, Ford coming back to life here, people. AMC wants all red candles today. Down with no support. I mean, it's got a nice little green one right here. Not a big one, but 1812 right here. SPY trying to bounce back up here a little bit. Ford trying. So many shills in here today. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. A lot of them. A lot of them. Oil. Yeah. Oil looking all right. Ford getting jumpy again. I think SPY goes lower. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algos. Especially with the whole YouTube nonsense today. Let's see. What are we looking at over here? Oil. All right. What do we got? If all the out of the money options say we're in the money, they would have to buy 50% of the company in shares? No. It would be like 20 million shares. Bounce then fall on the SPY. Yeah, it is coming down now. So where's USO? It's holding here. I like that. SPY is moving down. All right. Let's see. Where was the cross? There was never a 1348. What about IWM? Did IWM get a cross? No. Sort of right here, but nothing to. What about QQQ? No cross. Nothing. Zero. All right, people. Ford's hanging down back at even. There you go. Ford, all right. Here comes down again. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Good morning. I'm crushing it on AMC calls, only down to 92%. Why would you buy Amy calls? Like what was telling you to buy AMC calls? So if Russia and Ukraine go to war, our stock market is going to bleed red. Austin, yes. Up $2.50 on a single USO contract. My first option ever. Rich. There you go. USO is weird though. It's a slow mover and it can do these weird moves where it just tanks and then rips. And then you're like, okay, what happened? And then your contracts don't move. And then they move. It's weird. Why the hell would we care about Ford? Because people are trading it. That's why. SPY flickering around here. Amy down. 1788 over here. GME getting hit hard. Down below 120. USO chilling. It's all a distraction on the Russian news. It easily could be, but it's moving the market. Yeah, my USO contracts are not moving at all. Mine aren't either. It's just wait, Ukraine news. What is it? Did we get more news? I haven't gotten any news on it. All right, my USOs are up 4% right now. That's what mine are up. 3-day weekend. Do you have any plans? Dude, sleep. I'm so tired all the time now. 1788 on Amy. SPY selling off here. USO could get spicy here. Where's UVXY and TLT? UVXY coming up here. TLT. TLT moving up. Watch out below on the SPY. Let's see. USO. Down a little. Yeah, here comes SPY with a big candle to the downside. What are the 435s today? Let's see. AMC Ortex? Yeah. Okay. So AMC Ortex for right now, we have 100% utilization. The cost to borrow average is right around the minimum, meaning that most of these 2.24 million shares got loaned out right around 1.47%, 21.14% estimated short interest, days to cover 2.37. A lot of nonsense going on in the securities lending market. So SPY trying to get a move back to the upside here, but I think it's going to touch 435. Time to bring the plunge protection team in. Well, hold on. Where's oil? What's oil doing over here? Man, it came down a little bit. GME is selling off. All right, what else are we looking at for puts? How's Riot? Riot down. Lyft coming down hard. What about like Facebook, Netflix? Facebook, no cross. You just keep buying. There you go. SPY puts up 30%. There you go. Watch it at this level over here. It might bounce. Watch SPY at the upper end of this range right here. It might bounce. It's peeking its head in. It's peeking its head in. All right. I got a couple of SPY puts just for fun. YOLO. All right. SPY not looking so hot over here. All right. So it did get this bounce right around this level. So let's see what happens with SPY. Tesla puts 100%. There you go. All right. Where's oil? Okay. All right. Everything on set. AMC super fall. I mean, it's coming. Little bounce here. SPY's trying to move back to the upside. Where's USO? GME coming down. SPY flickering right here. SPY puts up 50%. There you go, Big Dave. Biden might create a depression if he does do something about Russia. Would watching 1348 on the 1 minute be better with this market? No. You're going to get head faked more often. Maybe. Amy 1784. Chicago Fed speaking. Oh, yeah, that's not going to help. Roku $100 put. Good sell. There you go, buddy. USO 63.97. Amy chilling here right around 1785. SPY might make another attempt into this range over here. Where is it on the 1 minute? The 1 minute, it might come up to this 13 here and get rejected. We're seeing these things happen again. We're seeing 13 test, reject, 13 test, reject. So let's see if it comes up to this 13 right here, rejects all the way back down and make a new low. That's kind of what I'm looking at here on the SPY. If it touches this and comes right back down, which it's done a few times, going to be bearish for the rest of the day. So let's see. You're up 70% on Disco puts. There you go. All right. Rejected here. Let's see if it comes back down. All right. We need a can Ford. What's up with Ford? Ford trying here. All righty. We never move Thursday or Friday anymore. What do you mean? All right. So it's testing this 13. Let's see here. Amy popping back up to 18 over here. Ford making a move back up. GME holding at the low over here. Where's USO? USO is priming up for another move, I think. They push us out of options every week. That's if you're buying the out of the monies. All right, so SPY bounced off of this range here. I think at one point today, we're going to get into the range, but we got to see. Funny how GME and AMC charts look identical once again. I mean, it's always that. Made 100% on AMD puts. There you go. All right, SPY hitting the 13 on the 1 minute. On the 5, it's slightly green. Getting killed on my AMC calls. Why'd you buy them, though? Why'd you buy them? I haven't bought AMC calls in a while. It's been going up and down for a while. Yeah. Options, what a joke. Options are the key to big price movements to the upside. All right, so this could be the first 5-minute green candle that we've seen on SPY in like a very long time. So, yeah, new candle over here. Let's see what happens. Ooh, it's coming up. All right, SPY, what you gonna do here, buddy? Ford on the rise. Yep, Ford coming back to life over here. Making an attempt. SPY flickering. All right, I'm going to hold these SPY puts for a while, see what happens. USOs are up a little bit. I already did the Ortex on AMC like 5 minutes ago, so just scroll back in the stream. Ford needs to go. It's already up a lot. Yeah, SPY coming back down here. Rudy, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Just coming in. Just coming on. Why is AMC down so low? Any bad news? No, it's just the market freaking out again. Every single time, it's just the market doing its thing. Like, look at it. SPY weakness. AMC is going to come down with it. Like, it's and the market's just going to head fake all over the place. Like, it's very possible that the market will just head fake all over the place for the rest of the day. Got another 90 AMC. Tim, there you go. Ortex. 2.24 million borrowed shares. Same difference that we were looking at before. Head fakes everywhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Can you look at DraftKings? Yeah. Dang. Wish I held that earnings strangle. That would have been sweet. Just sold your Ford for 50%. There you go. No big changes. No, not since the last time we looked at it. I didn't read someone's chat because there wasn't money attached to it. I'm the guy. I'm the 300ZX guy. Dude, what? I'm literally sitting here reading the chat. Puts printing. There you go. Russia, big nuclear drills tomorrow. The EU is dealing with more of the Russian issue. Biden is trying to put his nose in everyone's business. Yeah. 70% on BBBY puts. There you go, Happy Hape. All right. Amy, 1806. SPY flickering around a little bit here. Yeah. Get that bullshit out of here, bro. Like, you're just trying to cause issues. BRCC has been fun to look at. Fun. Live chat isn't loading. Just refresh it. Any chance we go green on the day still? It's possible. We would need the market to really reverse in a big way. Ford, how's this doing? Ford's actually coming up here a little bit with the SPY moving down. That's not bad. Doubling down on Ford puts. Oh boy, careful. Careful. It's coming up. Ford's coming up. No market Monday? Nah. Nope. It's a little sad. SPY's moving back down here. No change. Yeah, no change in cost to borrow. What's up, pushing? I see you in there doing work, buddy. All right, Ford's coming up again. Let's see. We want to quick flip some stuff. SPY moving down here and Ford's. I'm probably just going to leave this be and leave some money for the afternoon. Oh, it's oil doing right here. Wow. Crude is coming back to life. Uber cross. Yeah. Have fun on Ford. I mean, you guys are probably doing great over here. SPY's coming down. Those SPY puts are doing good. Ford, if it can break that previous day high, it's going to get a little bit nutty. USO, what's going on with this? Oil is coming back to life over here, so USO should get a pop at some point. SPY back down into this range over here. Here it comes. Weeble question? What's up with Weeble? I don't see one. Why does Weeble warn me about day trading even when I have money settled in my account? If it's a good faith violation, if you're not trading with settled funds, you're gonna get a good faith violation. So what that, all right, SPY into this range here. Let's see if it gets a closing candle in it. If it does, it'll sell off. If you get a good faith violation, what it's essentially gonna do is it's gonna say, hey, you can no longer buy with unsettled funds in a cash account. That's essentially what it's gonna do. USO looking for that previous day high. SPY flickering in this range over here. VIAC turned into Para, so it's just a different ticker now. All right, USO new high. Ford looking all right. BBIG way oversold. Loading the boat today. We know the score. There you go, buddy. All right. See, SPY is just getting a little bit of support at this lower end of the range over here. And Ford is coming back to life. USO making its way up here, though. How many can you do before they do that good faith violation? You just have to trade with settled funds. If you're trading with settled funds, you're fine. Chris, that's like a monthly occurrence. All right, let's see. SPY back down here. FTK breakout. What's FTK? Yeah, 18% up. 1348 cross right here at around 143 all the way up to 164. That's not bad. All right, SPY flickering here. USO. Doing good. Ford. Ford looking spicy. Alrighty. Amy, 1794 over here. Ford flickering around. GME on the way back down. SPY on the way back down here too. USO, let's see if this is making new highs. It's close. It's GTE oil play. Ooh, USO coming down. That's no fun. See, it just gets these weird candles, even though crude's coming back. So we'll see what happens over here. Riot puts printing. There you go. I should have held those. There are my paper hands again. I'm probably not going to. Yeah, those riot puts would have been nasty. Whatever, bro. Which news will move the markets more? Canada, truckers, Ukraine? Ukraine, absolutely. Definitely Ukraine. SPY moving down. Is DraftKings a good buy at this level? I mean, I thought it was a good buy at 46 when I bought it the first time and then sold it for a loss to buy more AMC. You're up 240% on your SPY put master. I love to see that, buddy. There you go. Let's see. Max Payne to YouTuber says Scooby Dooby. Interesting. Interesting. Lift put's doing well. There you go. Roblox now down 10%. Jesus. All right, let's see. I mean, support on Amy, if we look back at like the 4-hour chart and you look at the supply and demand zones, it's like right around like this little fin right here, like this 1790 level is going to be a decent one. And then again, there's that big one at 1450. Are we going to get there? I don't know. The market's not having fun right now, though, so we got to be careful. USO looking good over here. How'd Ford end up doing? It's chilling over here. SPY's getting a nice little pop up here. No market Monday? True. Yeah, also, for all you guys filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Just helps out a lot with the algos. Let's see what we get over here. Netflix cross down. Let me see. I don't think Netflix ever crossed. I think it was a pre-market cross. Oh, no, Netflix is about to cross down here. So yeah, support 1750 about. There's a little bit of one right around like where we're at right now, 1790, but yeah, 1750. NU is ripping. Oh man, everybody's been talking about this one. NU, yeah, it's still coming up here. What's the chain looking like on it? That's nasty. USO popping. Oh, here comes the oil play. How much are these up right here? 13%. Nice. I got a bunch of USO. So if USO runs to my strike today, I will be a very, very happy VIX. So it's basically playing like SPY flickering around on the downside and oil coming back to life. I hate no market Mondays. Yeah, your info, you probably was rock solid. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Appreciate it, VIX. On the response on AMC resistance, looking to price a good entry. Yeah, again, the thing is, if you're looking to buy shares and you think that over the long term, that whatever the price is at right now, AMC is going to be over it, it doesn't really matter when you buy. Yeah, USO is making some moves. Bought 500 new shares at $2 a while back. There you go. Why is USO popping but not UNG? Because UNG, let me see what UNG's doing. Oh, natural gas is selling off and crude is coming back to life. Amy coming down, SPY flickering at this range here. If it breaks this blue box and comes down into here, it's going to get nasty. Oh, USO. 17% on USO. These are good. I think these SPY puts are going to print at some point. I just think they do. Up 20% on USO. There you go. Daniel, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Market makers killing premiums. Normal Friday can't have in the money. True. All right. USO just made that nice little red to green move. I'm up 17% on those. The SPY puts are slightly red, but I think they're going to be, oops. Don't go out today without a SPY put. I have SPY puts going into the end of the day. So we'll see what happens with it. They're not too deep out of the money here, so they could be gnarly. These could be really good. USO still looking good over here. Got in late, up 10% on USO. Yeah, I mean, I'm only up 17%. They haven't moved all that much yet. It just likes to flicker around. So nice little 1348 cross coming up off the 200. Could be good. Watch that pre-market high of 64.52. That could be sweet. SPY back down over here. Let's see what happens with oil. Yeah, WTI crude is coming back. So could be in for a candle a little bit on USO, but watch out. When SPY sells off, USO comes down a little bit or just holds. And then when SPY chills out, that's kind of when we see that USO pop. Have I talked about the Citadel under investigation thing yet? Yeah, of course I have. Of course I have. Yeah, USO coming back down a little here. Amy, 1784. Just doing covered calls and dollar cost averaging. There you go. What's max pain this week for AMC? It's 1950. Yeah, okay. So USO coming down. SPY's chilling. Yeah, oil hasn't moved on this, though. So this is a little bit of a weird USO move. I'm staying in it. Theta ate you today. Yeah, you got to be careful. Yeah, so Citadel's surveyor fund is under investigation right here. SPY getting a little pop here on the 1 minute, coming up to the 25. It's done this a few times, so let's see if it rejects here and then comes back down. Disco about to cross down. I was just told 1950. That's what I said. Max pain 1950. SPY didn't like it. Amy chilling out over here. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Happy Max Pain. Happy Max Pain to you too. All right. SPY flickering here. Yeah, here it comes. So let's see what happens with USO over here. Where's oil? Yeah, coming back to. When are you taking profits on USO? Maybe when oil. I mean, it's only up. It's down right now. Like my contracts are down, which is weird. We answered at the same time. Gotcha. Ankles at 18? No. Amy coming down. SPY doesn't look too good over here. I think it's just waiting to break down into this range over here. Squirrel, where you at, buddy? What are we looking at? Covered calls, you want 100 shares? So I'll call, but yeah. Hey, USO. Hey, USO. Hey, USO, what the hell? I hate when it does that. I hate when it does that. Oil's not moving and USO just sells off. Oh, SPY candle. SPY candle. SPY candle. There it goes. SPY low of the day is at 435.21, so it's got 10 more cents before it starts to get nasty over here. If this is going to be Russia and Ukraine stuff, I mean, oil's going to come back up, which oil's holding right now. Is GLD a good play when the SPY is dropping? Yes. GLD is a very good play. Actually, how is GLD done today? I was talking about that in the pre-market. It's actually down. Interesting. Ford, how's that doing? Ford came back down. You so chilling. SPY, you're not helping here. Why waiting for the dump? Me too. I think SPY's getting ready to just go right down. So let's see. Oh wait, that's not what I want. Amy 1789 over here was working on breaking pre-market low. What is the pre-market low? Oh, it already did it, I think. I think it already did. Yeah, already did it. So it's popping up a little bit here. I mean, this is on the 1 minute too. So it's just doing these 13 tests and coming down for a new low. Same thing that we saw yesterday on the SPY. So USO trying to make a move back up here. Should have held my space puts overnight. Yeah, I did into yesterday, and that was pretty good. Those were up like 200%. That was pretty sweet. Let's see here. Amy, 1787. Here it goes. Closing candle in this box now. This could get interesting. 435.60. Yeah, it broke it. So let's see what the SPY does over here. It's looking like it wants to get a little bit sell. Yeah, here it goes. Ford needs to diverge from the SPY. I don't think it will. Defense ministers to the border sounds escalatory. Yeah. Russian economy expanded 4.7% last year, estimated 4.5. SPY new lows of the day over here, up 6%, 6.5% on SPY puts. I think these could get nasty. USO holding though. This is disgusting, right? But if there's going to be big moves to the downside of the market, I'm going to be there scooping up money. Amy, green candle. The cap was not off. Alrighty, folks. Bought SPY puts, 438 strike yesterday, up 600%. Ben, there you go. You're up 45% on your SPY puts. There you go. Here comes USO. I like that. I like this USO candle. With SPY where it's at, these are probably both in the green right here. SPY flat, USO up. They're just flickering back and forth. Yo, AMC or text, please. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. Gotcha, buddy. Yeah, also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algos. 1.48% average cost borrow. Net borrow of 2.05 million shares. 21.14% estimated short interest. All right, SPY's coming down again, and USO's holding good. Here comes the Duck Gang. What's up, people? All righty, folks. Market Maker 1999. What's up, buddy? All right, where's oil? Yeah, oil likes it. Oil likes it. SPY. Ooh, there it goes. Watch SPY below 435. I think I have the 434s. Yeah, I have the 434s for today. ISPO's ripping. Yeah. Would you do a put on SLV? I probably wouldn't right now. Not with these moves. Where's TLT? Hold on. Where's TLT with this move? Is TLT going to print for me? Oh, come on, TLT. Make a move. Oh, here comes SPY down below 434. Where's USO? Is USO holding? No, USO selling off a little bit here, but let's see what oil does. Yeah, I mean, oil looks like it's coming back to life over here, so I'm going to hold this for a little bit just to kind of see what oil's going to do. But SPY puts are up about 10% right here. If F does not hold here, it could go less than 18. Yeah. All right, SPY down. Ford looks like it wants to come down too. I might get some Ford puts. It doesn't. This little rip up, it might just shark fin. It's about to cross down on the 5-minute MACD. Smash the like button. XDeath0. What's up, buddy? How you doing? TLT's a bit delayed. Yeah, USO going the wrong way. Just give it time. If oil's going to continue this move here, back up into the green, I'm just going to give it time. SPY's coming down pretty hard here. I think I'm going to take some Ford puts at this level. So just to kind of wait for it and see, because I mean, GME's coming down, SPY's coming down really hard. It just looks like things are going to start to sell. Honestly, I'll be really careful with this because the last Ford trade was up nastily right away. And then, SPY is flushing right now. Look at this candle. Oh, shit. 51% on SPY puts now. SPY is flushing. Ford not really getting that. Wow, SPY. That was dirty. Oh, man, SPY. Look at this. They're going to create a new closing candle right down in here. This is dirty on the SPY. Holy shit. Larry Kudlow said the market will continue to fall this year. Oh, God. Larry, what have you done to the market? Amy coming down a little bit here. SPY is not having fun. SPY puts are up 42% right now. UVXY is probably popping. Yeah. My Ford puts are now up 17%. Lol, told you so? Dude. SPY. All right, Squirrel. I think I'm gonna have to diamond hand these SPY puts today. I think that's what we're gonna have to do. And the Fords. I think if Ford breaks 18, it could get selly. Yeah, here comes Jesus SPY. TLT ripping. Oh, come on, TLT, do it. Yeah, TLT coming back up. SPY coming down. So we're about to get a new candle. Oh boy, SPY puts up 120%. F puts and USO calls. Is USO doing it over here? Yep. Okay, so oil's coming back up. This could be dirty. Yep, here comes USO and SPY's flickering over here. 50% on SPY puts, but it's now down in this range. I think more downside today. So on the 1 minute, yeah. USO looks good. Ford, a little pop here, but let's see. 140% on SPY puts. There you go. Death cross on the NASDAQ. What time frame? Why is Oxy falling? Oxy lags, and Oxy just kind of does its own thing sometimes. So Ford coming down here. 52% on SPY puts. Holy shit. I went big on SPY. Oh, my USOs are coming back. All right. The first one's also, all right. USOs are looking good. 21% on Ford. All right, here we go. UNG is trying. All right, people, here we go. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Yep, UNG is coming back to life. All right, so commodity is starting to go. Energy. All right, so oil settled back down a little bit. I don't think SPY's ripping back up here. It could, but TLT, what's TLT saying right now? TLT coming down a little bit. SPY's moving its way back up here. Ford, 13% on USO. Now only 30. Wait, Lockheed. Lockheed might get a 1348 right here. I imagine gold and silver is going to climb. That would be the logical outcome of this. Yeah. SPY coming back down here. Where's Ford? Ford breaks 18. It's going to come down. Explosion occurred near set. Yeah, that's that. Yep. War news. Here we go. Print the SPY puts. If SPY breaks 434 again, like on another candle, watch out. What are you looking at to see oil dropping? Well, it's not dropping, but I'm looking at, it's just oilprice.com. That's all I'm looking at here. Where's USO right now? People might be flooding into these. Oh, yeah. People are flooding into oil stocks right now. This is dirty. So I'm up 32% on USO, 48% on SPY, and 28% on Ford. So oil and energy stocks are starting to go. SPY's coming down. Here we go again. Here it comes. More war stuff. This is literally how I'm playing the war news. I literally just get oil, SPY puts, and now I'm playing Ford too, just because I'm on a little bit of a reversion play. So, wow, this is dirty here. So USO's coming up. Where's UNG? You could get UNG too. UNG hasn't really made a crazy move yet. But USO's been the winner. How many of these do I have? Oh, I have a bunch. 63% on USO. Jesus. All right. Okay, if USO hits 64.50, I'll trim. Let's see. Last time my count was this green was 70 AMC 72. Ronnie, honestly, dude, this is the thing. If you can make money on the downside too, you are winning. So good for you, buddy. Hypothetical, if USA was hit with an EMP attack and our power grid went out for weeks and months, what would happen to the stock market? It would crash. What put do I have on the SPY? I have the 434. I have a couple of the 434s for today. I went a little bit bigger. I'm up 48% on these. I mean, I'm looking good here. Where's Ford right now? Ford's approaching 18. If SPY gets another big red, it's going to be nasty. Stupid 1348. I only made 300% on my Ford call. There you go. 60% on USO. Yeah, I think that's where I'm at too. What is USO at now? It's chilling. It's chilling. People are flooding into oil right now. I like it. Oil's coming back down, but USO is just going on a moon mission right now. So this is just people piling into 63% on USO, 32 on Ford, 56 on the SPY. Watch SPY around 434 again. Amy, honestly, holding up all right now. 1790. Here comes USO. Okay, when USO hits 6450, I'll be chilling out of it. Oh, there it is. All right. So 73%, I will sell 6 of them. USO is ripping right now. Holy shit. All right. Hold on. Give it a minute. I want to see if I can snipe it. That'll fill, I think. That should fill right here. Yeah. Okay. So I sold 6 of my USOs for a lot. So my USOs are up over 100%. So I did take some profit. I have 4 left to go into the end of the day. My Ford puts are up 25%. My SPY's up 55%. And my USOs are up 120%. Anybody that got the USO today on the 1348 absolutely crushed it. Good for you. These are absolutely printing 123% right now. Woo! SPY moving down now. All right. This is nasty. Look at this. 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 I'm the oil baron. I'm the oil king. Oxy about to rip upwards. Oxy is delayed. Oxy can't. Okay. So, yeah, Oxy looks like it wants to get a couple. Oh, here we go. SPY new lows. Ford probably coming down with it. Oh, we are printing. There comes Ford on the way down. 141% on USO. 63% on SPY puts. Damn, I have a lot of money in SPY puts right now. Jesus. All right, I'm holding the. All right, here it goes. I've learned a lot watching your streams. Thank you. G's SUV, well done. Thank you. Appreciate that. DoorDash puts Brent oil futures running. Yeah. Oh, shoot. I just got out of oil. All right. Not like my oil position, but oilprice.com. What do we have right here? Brent crude. Yeah. Brent is coming up. Tesla calls printed the other day. Yeah. SPY is just not having fun. Holy freaking USO. Oh my God. These are up 173% right now. Thank you, bro. Anytime. Anytime. Oil Baron. Thank you very much. Man, I suck at this. I really hate the fact that you are making bank. Why? I literally just told you I'm playing oil in the SPY because I think it's going down. All you have to do is just pay attention to what we talk about. Mr. Finance, I don't get that. Amy's literally not coming down all that hard right now with the SPY, and it's down $1. Relax, relax, relax. The whole name of the game here is to make money. And here's the other thing. If you're able to make money, it allows you to just be like, all right, whatever, like on AMC, just like it's going to go when it's going to go. All right, USO coming back up. Printing on USO. There we go. I love your making bank. It means we're making bank if you pay attention. Yeah. I still think the use. All right. So what are the USOs now? 173%, 51% on the SPY, 32% on Ford. Boom. Bought 12 contracts on Ford with a 1750 strike. I think I have the. What do I have on Ford? I think I have the 18s. Yeah, I have the $18 puts. I didn't get very many of them. All right. USO chilling out. Spot. Let's see what it's looking like on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's just flickering. Just flickering. USOs are printing. Yeah, dude. I mean, they're only up 143% now. Only 143%. USO too late to get in on calls? Yeah. Yes. But look at Oxy. Oxy's starting to trend up here too. Oxy is late. Oxy usually moves later. So watch Occidental maybe try and make a move back up here. It's only up 0.4% with USO up 1%. Like, this could get dirty. The name of the game isn't making money. There was a time when the name of the game was Change Wall Street. The name of the game is still Change Wall Street, but it is also make money. I don't know what the I don't understand. Amy looking all right here. SPY flickering around these levels. USO still looking good. Where's oil? It's coming back up, coming back down. I really do think Amy's about to rip. The market would need to rip. Sold one USO for 85%. My second is up 130. 1348 is the best cheat code ever. Yeah, guys, if you guys do want to learn more about the strategy that we just used to just crush this USO, make sure you check out the free part of the Discord, learn the strategy. We do have the premium version, which gives you alerts. So like what would happen here is you would see the USO alerting right around here and be like, all right, cool. Then you look at it and you're like, cool. All right, it's going to go. It alerts on like 300, 350 stocks on the crosses. And then you're able to see the market from a wider perspective. So take a look at it. Definitely something that you should learn about. So SPY now coming up, testing the 13, coming back up. Let's see. Everyone just went to options and left all the AMC diehards hanging. That's incorrect. That is factually incorrect. I have AMC and GME up every day, and I cover them every single day. Come on, SPY. Come on. I mean, let's see what happens here. My SPY puts up 35. I might take that. I don't know. Let's see. Hey, Squirrel, what do you think? All right, SPY back down. USO selling off here. All right. I'm unfamiliar with Discord, but going to check it out now. Awesome. Whole lot of fun in here. Vic, silence these fools. I mean, I did just with a almost 200% Occidental play. All right. SPY moving down. The forwards are only up 10%. Any SPY puts worth getting? I already have. Do I do this every day? Yeah, bro. I'm here every day. All right, SPY puts, they're only 40% now. That's not, I mean, USOs are still up 104%. I'll freaking take it, dude. I'll freaking take it. Biden about to speak at 4. God damn. Did I see Gasparino's tweet? I mean, am I going to have to rub my eyes with soap? SPY. All right. Oh, crude coming back. There we go. Every day, bro. Yep. Yeah, shills are crazy. Cody, I agree with you. It's a witching day? Today shouldn't be a witching day. All right. USO coming down a little bit here. Keep up the good work. Thank you, buddy. I listen to you because you don't just cover AMC. You also try to educate us non-educated people. STV Squirrel thinks it's hitting 430 today. All right, bro. Screw it. YOLO. All right. I typically don't diamond hand the SPY puts, but I will today. Let's see what happens. This is the 5-minute, right? Yeah. All right. What are these at? Only up 31% now. Ford's coming down, though. Just kidding. Ford coming down a little bit. SPY flickering. U.S. Surgeon General Murphy says he's tested positive for the you-know-what. All right. Now the USOs are only up 84%. TLT coming back up. Oh, watch out, SPY. Watch out, SPY. Yeah, TLT coming back out. Watch out below. Amy, 1789 over here. TLT testing it's trying to test it. Hold on. Might test this level right here. Yeah, SPY's coming up here a little bit, but I mean, it did break down into this range. So we'll see what happens with this one. I can't keep SPY through the long weekend. It expires today. All right, TLT moving up. USO, how's this doing? Yeah, USO looking fine. SPY is coming up here a little bit, though. That's not exactly what I want to see. It's only 21% on the SPY now, 95% on USO, 7% on the Ford. Much love. What's up, Cameron? How you doing, buddy? All righty. Rub your ankles with soap? No. All right. SPY's moving here. Okay. Let's see. My sister wants to have your baby. Are you down? No. Depends on who your sister is, though. See, that's what I do. Should have cut SPY put that 150. Yeah, SPY. Well, this is on the 1 minute. It's starting to come up here a little bit. The last time that I cut the SPY puts was when it came up and tested the 13 on the 5-minute chart. So I'm kind of watching things here. I think the SPY still has a lot of downside left. It's early. It just tanked. It's kind of cooling off on this downside move after this nasty move to the downside. It could just be bouncing up a little bit. Some buyers are stepping in, and then the sellers just come back and knock it right back down. So that's kind of what I'm looking at on the SPY. I don't personally think it's going to just rip right back up. So we'll see. Pissed. I almost bought SPY puts at 436 when it was around 437. Had a meeting and missed the payday. Dumb marine trader. It's all right, buddy. Your right hand identifies. I would take profit at 100%. Just saying. I make them free at 100%. That's usually what I do. So that was the play with USO. That's what I did. It hit 100%. I waited a minute, sold 6 contracts. That USO play could go to 0 right now, and I'm still fine. Sent you my positions. Oh boy. Evil Echo, love you, bro. Love you too, buddy. Hopefully you guys are making money right now. All right, SPY flicker in here. Amy coming up to test the 13. USO doing all right. Ford's probably bouncing a little bit here. On the 1 minute, it's coming up to test the 48. It might. Great show, Vix. What time do options expire today? 4. Well, SPY will be 4:15. Puts on meetings and conference calls. Yeah. Also, you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algo. We just crushed it. Let's see. USO chilling. What's going on with oil right here? Oh, shit. So oil was down, and now we have WTI crude decently in the green over here. So watch USO start to get some movement to the upside here. That could be, okay, this USO play could be nasty. SPY is moving up here to test this 13. And the 40, just testing the 48 on the 1 minute. Yielded 50% of my account and SPY 436 strike this morning and doubled my account. Jesus, dude. That's risky. All right, SPY's moving up here a little bit. Okay, USO could get nasty to the upside here. BBI, yeah, everything, it's bouncing a little bit here, but I think it's going to get some resistance at this level. We've seen this a couple of times, like comes out or tries to, we'll see. We'll see. I think Power Hour will be fun today. Yeah, reported explosion was just a car fire. Is that what the news was? All right, Amy popping up a little bit here. 1811. Let's see. SPY puts only up 4% now. Ford puts down 3%. USO calls 93%. All right. Dude went in with half his money. That's crazy, dude. Don't do that, please. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Where's Ung? Hold on. Okay. Natural gas is coming up. Oil's coming up, like, in a big way. Like, we just looked at WTI crude up 0.2%. Now it's up 0.6. I am holding the shit out of these USOs. Let's see. USO and Oxy are my winners today. Yeah, they're gonna be. I think this could get dirty. I think this could get really, really, really dirty. So watch SPY here. It might get this 5-minute MACD cross, or yeah, resistance at this 48 EMA on the 1 minute. Shills are out. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm still hunting these USOs. Oh my God. Oh, WTI crude is now up 1%. It just went up from being 0.5% up to 1% up. These could go gnarly here. Where's Boyle? Where's Gush? Like, what? This is Gush. Gush is coming up here. What about Boyle? Boyle not moving. So these are just cooling off, I think, before it just starts to pump. AMC bouncing back. Yeah, careful. It is looking decent right now. Nice little 5-minute MACD cross. The SPY's not getting out of this range, though. I still think the SPY's coming down with this oil move. Invested in natural gas exploration companies. I'm up 5-fold on my initial investment. Shelly. There you go. There you go. All right. Crude came back down. I think USO lags a little bit. Got a call on USO. I mean, I think I had him down here, right around here. Or I got it early, actually. I was playing it right around here, and then it just went nuclear. So we'll see what happens. SPY moving back down a little bit here. Hey, people, even if you don't know how to trade options, you can still buy reverse leverage bear stocks like PSQ, UCO, SQQQ. Yes, you can to make money buying stocks. Yep, big money already made their cash on oil. They're out for now. Not yet. Not when oil just went from deep red to big green. Biden speaks today on Russia and Ukraine. Yeah. Want to get into USO, but I don't want to FOMO. I wouldn't FOMO on it right now. These contracts are up 95%. Forward bounce. Yeah, cool. I'm still going to hold those puts because I think market's coming down. Forward tiny bounce. Amy down below the 13 now. Here comes SPY. All right. Exxon did a 10 billion buyback. There you go. Bought some GLD. There you go. If SPY says oil prices rise, does USO go up or down? Should go up, but we don't really know for sure. All right, let's see here. SPY coming up to test the 13. I think it's just cooling and waiting for it to just squirrel. How's it going? What's it looking like now? Are we at an SM? Are we at a? Is there an SMA right around here? All right, Amy coming back up to the 13 now. All right, SPY is now touching the 13 and the upper end of the supply and demand zone level. Made $200 in 3 minutes, 30 minutes of trading. Thanks to 1348. There you go. Here comes USO. Russia's Interfax news agency reports no one was hurt in the explosion. Well, it doesn't change the fact that there was an explosion. Oh, SPY now back up. All right, let's see. Hold on, I'm getting some notices over here. All right, USO looking all right. AMC 1808 over here. SPY is trying to peek its head out of this range over here. I just think the sellers are about to come in and thwack this thing. Ford boom boom. Oh, watch what happens to Ford when SPY capitulates. USO looking good. SPY will hover around the 13 for a few candles, 2 green candles above the 13, and I cut. Otherwise, I hold. That's kind of what I'm thinking too. Oxy breaking out. Oxy's coming out. Where's oil now? Selling off a little. Yeah, cash account. All cash account. USO got room to run up? Yeah. Okay, and U is running again. And you, what do we got? Yeah, I mean, that one's coming up. All right, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row on the SPY. Second rejection at 40.15 on Oxy. Yep. Oil selling off a little here. Where's USO? I just want to hold some of these until the end of the day. I think it's going to get gnarly. 435 critical support. Look back. Yeah, where is it right now? Yeah, 430. Yeah, it just flickered down in here. Yeah, here it comes back down again. USO coming down. How long does it take your funds to settle after closing? It settles the next day with options. It's 1 day settlement with options. Let's see here. Must have SPY put through the weekend. I can't. It expires today. USO coming down. Please check out BRCC. I was looking at it a little bit earlier. It's up 15% right here. All right, here comes SPY moving down a little bit. Hook running. You guys have been talking about Hook a lot. I don't know what Hook is. Up 16% today, bouncing off this right here. All right, SPY might start to move down again. USO. Let's see. Do you know when AMC earnings are yet? It should be first or second week of March. Right around there. It can take up to 5 days where you can withdraw. But you can trade with it immediately. Yeah. Alrighty, everybody. So holding these SPY puts. Let's see. Let's see what we got. 74% on the USO still, and then 20 or 7% on SPY puts. March 8 or 9. Yeah, that's not the confirmed date. So that's not the confirmed date that we have. That's just the estimated date. Market makers want to hold 435, but bears are stronger right now. I think so too. I think the bears are going to take this thing lower. What did it do on the 1 minute? Yeah, coming back down. MACD's about to cross down on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens with this. Yeah, there's no confirmed date. So I don't want to see anybody come out and be like, oh my God, they delayed it. No, they didn't. That's just going to be a bunch of FUD that could get spread around. There's no confirmed date right now. If there's no confirmed date yet, then they cannot move it, if that makes sense. Yeah, so it's just going to be first or second week of March. So USO could come down right here and test this 13 before it wants to start coming back up. But oil, it's in the green, but it's just kind of chilling out over here. Here comes SPY back down. What's Ford doing? Uh-oh, Ford. Ruh-roh. Let's see here. How many day trades can you do in 1 week or day with a cash count less than 25? As many as you want, as long as you're trading with settled cash. All right, USO selling off now. SPY selling off. A little bit of a MACD cross on USO. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Yeah, oil just hold. Whoa, USO, chill out, bro. Let's see. He promised to explain the Greeks and make an options video, and it never happened. I would like you to try to stream all day and also be a college student. Lou said this is gonna be over in a few days. Oh, cool. All right. Oil stocks coming back down. USO back down. Came through the 13. SPY just kind of flickering around over here. Fake out on USO just needs the RSI to cool off. That's what I think so. USO doing that because you got a call on it. Yeah. Dude, just ban these guys? Nah. Fuck them. They can stay in here and hang out. They can watch these dirty trades go through. Let's see. All righty, folks. Let's see what we got over here. TLT pop. Uh-oh. Is it at 138 yet? Why did it go over here? Close. TLT could go on a little run. SPY just kind of flickering around over here. USO back up a little bit. Delta and theta do change over time. Yes. Ooh, SPY. What you doing here? What you doing here, buddy? USO and usual showing a lot of 65 to 80 calls being bought. Jeez, how's Oxy looking? Probably coming down a little. Yeah, Oxy back down. SPY flicker in here. I don't know. I'm holding these SPY puts in oils. WTI crude's holding flat right now. Where's UNG? UNG coming down to the 200. SPY just kind of holding. Looks like it wants to get a 5-minute MACD cross. I don't know if it's going to be able to do it, though. On the 1 minute, it's just kind of using this 13 EMA as support. On the 5, it just looks like it wants to come down. 30 trades might even say crude. Yeah. Can I put AMD in the top? Oh, sorry. Hit the wrong button. So this is AMC over here now. My bad. I'm just waiting until he goes to AMD and says AB is at 100. I would have won like, hold on now. I don't think this is possible. Here comes SPY on the way back down. Yeah, wrong chart top left. I know. I got it now. I fixed it. Amy back down below 18. UNG pulling back up. SPY moving down. Damn, I was about to say go, Amy. I'm sorry, Melanie. I didn't mean it. USO back green. USO chilling down here. News just said that Russia to start nuclear exercises. No, they didn't. That's watch out on the SPY. Ford, is Ford back down below 18 yet? Nah, it's close though. Amy moving with the SPY again? It usually does. Can you check Ortex on AMC, please? Absolutely, I can. 2.4 million borrowed shares, net borrow of 1.89 million, 21.13% estimated short interest, low cost to borrow still though. Ford getting some candles to the downside here. 1804. Where's USO? I think that was a little bit of a cool off on USO chilling. That's old news. Okay, cool. I mean, I don't know. I just looked at the news feed and it didn't see it. Oh, wait, hold on. I just got one. Whoa. Watcher Plus says Russia claims the car which got attacked minutes ago belonged to Donbass regional security chief and that this was an assassination attempt. That's not great. That's not good. Crude looks like it's coming back up. Yep. Telling you about Russia doing nuclear drills for about 2 days. Lawrence, I'm sorry, buddy. I can't. I don't see everything. Like there's a lot of messages flying through the chat all the time. War. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, Ford puts good. SPY puts coming back to life. USO calls struggling a little now, but I mean, I made them free. So anything that's in these USO calls now is just pure profit. All right, here comes SPY on the downside over here. Uh-oh, that's going to be a few red candles. Yeah, gold takers GLD. That's the excuse that Putin's looking for. Yeah. He's like, swing first, bro. So you're telling me that Ukraine wants war? I mean, if that's real, then yes, but I don't think that's real. Yeah, I think they are getting an excuse. They might be. Wait, hold on. Twitter source, hold on. The car belonged to Major General Dennis. Okay, so now it's to Major General Dennis Sinenkov, chief of the DPR's People's Militia Directorate. He was not in the car. I mean, that does sound like an assassination attempt. War, what's it good for? SPY puts, I guess? Yes. So, USO trying to come back up here. Where's Ford? If Ford comes back down to open, I'm going to make lots of money. Russia will sacrifice. Ung? Nothing yet on Ung. Gentlemen, we were at war. Yeah. Alrighty. Maybe they just really did like his car. Nah, I don't think that's it. Alrighty, folks. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, also, everybody filtering in. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Kind of printed today. Here comes Ung to the upside. Where's USO? That could have just been a cool off for it to just go nuclear. Actually, no. Interesting. So I probably shouldn't say go nuclear now, right? That might be a new hot word. All right. What about on the 1 minute here? Testing the 48 again. Insurance fraud? Okay. All right. That's taking it too far. It was obviously road rage. All right. All right. Sounds like another Tesla recall coming. I don't think it was a Tesla. Do you have a healthy suspicion about repeating Russian news reports? Well, I don't understand what you mean by that. Just woke up? What's up, Mikey? How you doing? Been tracking these option plays the last few weeks and need to know, are these gains always this massive? Like, is it typical to see a swing of 100 to 150% in a day? Yeah. Not in your account, but like on your options play, you can easily find, if you find them and they start to run, yeah, you could hit. It's possible. The 1000% plays are very rare. But you could easily hit if it just runs a little bit. You also have to pick your stocks. Like, depending on what the premium, like, it's going to be harder to do it on like a Facebook or something. Citadel had illegal shorting records in that car. That's funny. SPY popping up here a little bit. Testing the upper end of this range again. So it's not even testing the 13. It's testing the upper end of the range. Oh, it's peaking. SPY's peaking. USO coming back to life. I'm still holding the SPY puts because, like, screw that. I think they're trying to fake me out again. I think that's what they're doing over here. Amy popping back up. USO doing all right over here. Jimmy Boom Boom. Yeah, Jimmy got a candle. 120.25 AMC, 1805 over here, and SPY back down. It's trying. It doesn't want to do it, though. Let's see. Alrighty. I wonder if he extended his car warranty first. I doubt it. Dang, DraftKings. Oh shoot, did I bust it up? Please don't be at 16. It sucks. Still holding forward puts? Yep. I think market go down today. That's why I have SPY puts, forward puts, USO calls. Just woke up hungover. What's up, Rands? How you doing, buddy? All right, people. What do we got here? Where's USO? Is it ripping again? It's coming up a little bit here. Where's crude? Ooh, flat on crude right now. TLT riding the 13 EMA up for the last hour. Yeah, if it breaks 138 and gets spicy, like, yeah, it's been just riding it up. You're right. SPY trying to get up here, but it doesn't like it. All right, new candle on the spot. You see, it just keeps trying. The buyers keep trying on the SPY, and nope. Forward, what's up with here? Nope. USO, come on, pop. Trying here. There won't be nuclear. I don't think so either. Here comes SPY. Crude shark fin. Yep. Where did it go now? Yeah, crude's back down. I don't know. If the SPY keeps selling off like this, though, and crude hangs out where it is, USO could get a bid. I'm new here in chat. Where do you see GME today? If the market sells off like it's been doing and how I think it could go, I think GME is going to sell off. SPY come back down now. Yeah. I mean, it does have this 5-minute MACD cross, and it's close to the upper end of this range. I'd rather see it down here with this move, but it's fine. Amy coming back down. USO candle. Forward. Forward. The car was elusive, and Tesla took it out. All right, folks. Yeah, SPY's just hovering around here. Tell that to Hiroshima. They thought it wouldn't happen either. Well, I can't really tell it to them. Not really much of it left. All right, that was too soon, I think. Netflix puts. Did it cross? Netflix. Yeah, it crossed. Just hovering around the 200, though. Let's see what happens with SPY. I think it's got more downside left in it today. USO, what you doing here, pal? 1348 works with puts also? Yeah. Best call ever was on AMC. $15 calls when it was at 10 and ran. 67.42%. Ape investor. That's dirty. Forward strong support at 18. Right. But if it breaks that, bye-bye. Like if SPY does another one of those big sell-off moves, this is what Ford's going to do. VZ might cross down soon, still above below the 200. Interesting. USO premium's dropping. Well, USO's dropped. USO's been dropping off of the high. What is it up right now? They should still be green. I mean, the USOs are up only the ones that I have now are up 6%. They were up 200. All right. USO flickering, SPY back down. Huge market dump coming. I think that's a likely outcome. Biden talking at 4. Yeah, I saw that. You got hit with 20 centimeters of stuff. Isn't that like not a lot? How long does it take to settle crypto in Webull? I'm not sure. Ariel, thank you so much for the super. What percentage spread gap do you try to stay away from? Like on options, if there's a big spread? I don't know. It just depends. If I think I can get filled, I'll play with it. When there's big spreads, I usually like that. Because I can steal stuff, and then if it goes, well, the ask will skyrocket, and then people will be stupid and step up their bid really high, and then I'll just hit it and steal it from them. TLT pop. Yep, TLT's coming up here. So SPY could get some more downside over here. Watch out. SPY crossed up, though. No, it didn't. The MACD did. On the 1 minute, did the SPY cross? The 1 minute has not crossed. No. And it's got the resistance at the 13 here. So this could come down hard here. TLT is coming up. If TLT breaks 138 and starts running, oh boy, watch out. Yeah, squirrel. If I can't get filled, I'll play with it. All right, crap face. All right, buddy. All right. Let's see what we get over here. Wow, the USOs just went red. Interesting. I mean, I'm happy I took profit on it. There's still a lot of profit on the table on those. So fine with me. USO 64.10 coming down. Little test over here. Where's crude? Crude came back down pretty big. SPY crossed on the 5-minute. No, it didn't. It never crossed on the 5. I'm on the 5-minute right now. The MACD did, but that's not the cross. On the 1-minute over here, it's selling off. So let's see what happens with this. USO can come down and touch this 25 and just rip. That's fine with me. Ariel, thank you so much for the super. Oh, gotcha. So when you say you don't like the spread, it's because the bid and ask are super close. No. It's super wide. Like if there's a wide spread on it, I'm fine with it. But if the spread on like an expensive stock, if it's like really high premiums and it's a wide spread, I stay away from it because you can get yourself into trouble really quickly. It really depends on the stock. Like if there's a news play and the spreads are really wide, I'll take it. I'll just hit the ask. And if the stock rips, I'll be fine. It just depends on what you're like. If I'm going to trade like SPY and like the spreads are really wide and I'm just not going to touch it because I'm like, all right, well, I might be able to get filled, but like it's going to look terrible. AMC did a 1348 cross on the 1-minute. Yeah, I wouldn't take a look at the 1-minute. You're going to get a lot of head fakes. People are saying SPY is going to dump. I think so too. So let's just see what happens. Let's see. SPY testing the 13 again on the 1-minute. Ford chilling at 1807. USO. Let's see. AMC will follow SPY unless Marge is called. Yeah. Well, no, not even if there's a bunch of margin calls that go out, they could easily just be like, all right, here's more money. And that's it. All right, GME with a little pop here. USO coming down. Bro, don't sass me. I need the hope of it crossing on the 1-minute. It's just a smaller time frame. Like, I'll throw it on the 1-minute really quickly, but like, look, it crossed here, and then what happened? It was moving down when it was crossing. So then it crossed down, crossed up, crossed down. Like, it's just flickering over here. And it's below the 200 on the 1-minute. So even then, it's like, all right, well, it's not even above where we need it to be. Let's get matching nose rings. No, thank you. No, thank you. All right, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, God. That was aggressive. USO looks like a bullish pennant. Yeah. New high on TLT, almost to 138. Oh, come on. Give me that. Oh, it's coming down now, though. That's no fun. Rivian crossed up, I think, on the 3. All right, let's see what happens here. Pfizer crossed down. Interesting. Have I hydrated recently? Yes. The anticipation of the SPY dump is killing me. Well, that's kind of what we were looking at right here when it was teetering. It was like teeter, 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 boom, right down. That's kind of what I was looking at this level. It was just like boom, right back down. So let's see what happens over here. We got DLT moving down a little bit. Where's Ford? Ford just chilling. USO. USO getting busted over here. Where's crude? Crude's flickering. SOS 5-minute cross up. Yeah, I don't know about SOS. What are these USOs doing? Okay. What kind of golf clubs do I have? Ping S55s. Naked sharts flooding the market. Time to buy the dip. Sharts. Okay. Holding USO. Yeah. It's already free. Like that's the thing. It's completely free. And I have profit off on the Rivian candle. And I took profit on it. It's like it was up 120% and I sold 6 contracts. Like I'm fine. Rivian candle. Rivian, what's going on with you, huh? What's going on with you, huh, buddy? What you going on here? SPY coming down, Rivian going up. What's going on here? Next hood price 5. For the past 2 days, 92 has been a key level for crude. Yeah. Rivian, what you doing here, pal? SPY coming down. Rivian go up, up, up. What's this? I like those pings. They're Players Club. Yeah. USO bounce off the 200. Did it? SPY down. There it goes. Rivian is a garbage stock. Well, they do have that Amazon contract that could be pretty good for it. And here comes the SPY. Here she goes. Ford puts back into the green. USO calls slightly red. But I mean, I already crushed it. TaylorMade here. You got those thick ones. Those thick irons. SPY, watch out below. Yep, there she goes. Ford, is it gonna break 18? Not yet. If SPY breaks that previous low, ooh. Bro, just chill out for a second. Nah, I cannot do that. Where's USO? USO kind of bouncing around that 25. SPY, managed defend. Funny. I'm old. That's fair. Best golf, San Diego or South Dakota? Please never sing again. Well, you do want me to sing Frozen if you want AMC to go up. That is a thing that we do around here. Where's Ford? Ford coming down now. Alrighty, folks. What do we got here? 23%. Oh, SPY puts. There we go. SOS running. Does it have a chain? Doesn't have a chain. I don't want to. But it does. These are no bid. Rivian. Did Rivian just come right back down in shark fin? Yep. USO. SPY moving down here again. South Dakota. See? You said SD. I was like, all right, so is that San Diego or South Dakota? I'm using Webull for options, yeah. Here comes SPY. MTTR doesn't care about the bear market. Oh, yeah. How is MTTR doing? That's slowly stepping up. Where's TLT right now? TLT, it's your time to shine. Come on, pal. Watch out below on SPY. Yep. 30% on the SPY puts again. Whoa. I actually have a decent amount of money on these TLTs. I didn't realize that. Shit. 46, 36, and 12%. There you go. I'm up 25. Wow. These TLT, I might just ditch the TLTs. SPY coming down. Watch. If TLT hits 180, or not 180, 138, I'll ditch them. All right. SPY, watch out below. Previous low of the day, 433.59 before it bounced pretty hard. And it looks like it's coming down. TLT not doing a whole lot over here. I want to hear singing. Give me those sweet siren vocals. No, not going to happen. Now that the DOJ has confirmed they're looking into Citadel, does this confirm reports that Kenny is on house arrest? No, it does not. It does the opposite. Come on, Ford. If SPY's going to do this, you need to go. Hood puts printing. Colton, our resident hood put player. Where's Colton at? Yeah, no cross, but I mean, hood puts. Yeah, print. Ford, get down below 18 here, bud. That's what we need to see out of you. SPY MACD cross back on the 5-minute. Oh, this is, yeah, it did cross back down. It confirms he will be on house arrest. Yeah. All right, 34% on SPY. Hey, TLT, what are you doing over here? Hey. Happy President's Day? Isn't that Monday? Wait, how does that do the opposite? Wait, what does? Hope AMC squeezes you get a proper set of Mizuno irons? Nah. Dude, I used to see people with what was that? PXG. Those are wild. So useless though. They're like, oh yeah, all right, here comes SPY on the way back down. Woo! There she goes. Come on, TLT. Are you really going to do this right now? Are you really going to act like this little bit of an a-hole when SPY's coming down like this? You're supposed to go nuclear right now. That's what's supposed to happen. Whoa. What the hell was this? Okay. I don't know what this is, but that was nonsense. I don't know what I've just done, but that was craziness. I hope that doesn't come back up. Oh, shoot. What is this done over here? Okay. Can we do this? Okay. I think this is fair. I don't know what I just did to my desktop, but it looks suspicious. Okay. I don't know what I've done. But I've messed it up. TLT. All right. All right. Let's see. All right, everybody. Spy doing its thing over here. TLT flickering. Now it looks suspicious. This is hurting my brain. Ford. That's not the right chart. All right, where's Ford? Now I can't even see the price. It's down here. Oh, I can drag it, I think, though. Want it over here. Okay, this is nonsense. Okay, we're struggling over here, people. Weeble has been acting up. Yeah, whatever I've done with this is not the right idea. Does anybody, you click and hold the bottom bar and drag it over to the side? Okay, cool. So this right. Okay, this can screw off. I don't know what I've done. I don't know what I've done. What have I done? All right, I don't know what's going on here, and I've completely botched it. I'm gonna have to figure this out. I don't know. All right. Chart settings. Axis. Guys, click on quotes. Where's that? It's just gone. You messed up the widgets. I know I did. I don't know how I've done this, but it wasn't what I was aiming to do. Spy got to get smoked. Top right. Oh, is it this? Add a widget. Quote. Add a widget. Is it order entry? No, which one is it? Order book, orders, all widgets. Oh, F4? Yeah, try clicking on the chart tab next to that. Dude, what have I done? What have I done? All right, spies bounce a little bit here. We got another spy up here. I don't know what I did. TLT coming up. Click and drag quote. Okay. That didn't work. I think it's order entry. Nope. Alt F7 will fix it. He has a Mac. What have I continued to do? I don't know how this happened, but it has not. Stand on your head. No, I feel like I know Alt F4 is like bad. Top left, right above AMC, click chart. Where? Chart, right here. It's got to be this. I'll mess around with it. Might be this. Chart, watch list, options, order book, classic trade. Maybe it's classic trade. Order entry is now a tab. It's not, though. It's like not anywhere. It's gone. Oh, there it is. Oh, but it's quotes. Chart. Quotes. Where do I want it? Right here. Okay, but now this is nonsense. And then if I click this, it goes to TLT. But how do I get it over here? How do I get it? All right, this is what we're going to do. Oh, we're close. We're getting there. We're closing in on it. Right? Oh. Just help me. Help. 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 Drag it to the center circle. All right, right there. Well, hold on. I saw it flicker. I want to make it really small so I can mess around with it. Dude, this is not this right here. Boom! Fixed it. Here we go. Back in business, people. You guys are so helpful. Oh, nice. I'm printing on spy puts right now. Best stream ever? I don't know. That was just nonsense. All right. 62% on spy puts. Absolutely crushing it over here. Where's Ford? There it goes. Ford broke. Here we go. Finally, nonsense. I'm apology. Oh, spy. Oh, spy. Give me that money. Give me that. 72% on spy puts. There we go. We nailed it. I did it. Spy is flickering now. Are you high? No, I just don't know how to use computers. Like, that's really it. Check Ford. Ford's right here. Selling. What are these at? 74% on spy puts. Down, girl. Jeez. What do you stream from? Vic's computer class? No class. You're gonna bail for lunch anyway? Well, yeah. I gotta go now. Oh yeah. SPY coming down big. 81% on SPY puts. This is nasty. All right, here comes Ford to the downside too. Those are up 39%. Wait, are the TLTs going? TLT, there we go. Let's see here. All right, 70 SPY. So I'm going to hold a lot of these SPY puts into the end of the day. I have a lot of them. A lot of money on SPY puts right now. That is a lot. Did you just ignore me? Dude, I'm trying to figure out how to get this widget back on my screen. If you notice, you can add widgets to the quote box you made. I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to oxy selling. Yeah, the USO is coming down. Where's oil right now? Yeah, oil back down. Just eat lunch in front of us? No, because I have to go get my lunch. What am I up? I'm up 63% on SPY puts. I still think it's got some more downside left, so we'll see. Where's it on the 1 minute? That's wrong chart. Yeah, it still looks good. Yeah, watch Ford. I think Ford, if it breaks this 48, watch it at the 200. Good risk management practice to hold all of the puts? No, but I'm usually paper-handed on the SPY, so I think I'm going to hold them so I can, like, you know, feel something. You think oil will go back up? I do, but who knows? I already made it free, already made money on it, so I'm completely fine with it. Brambles, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. How close to the end of the day do you hold options? It depends. Depends. Well, the support on the SPY was right here, 435.55. That's why when it broke this, it came down super hard. Pfizer, puts or calls? Puts or call? Oh, Pfizer crossed down and really selling over here. Yeah, my SPY put is only like not even $1 in the money yet. So riding it out. We'll see what happens. Are you too good to take us to lunch with you? No. SPY 430 today? It's possible, man. It's not even down 1% yet. Like, it's still got some downside left. Ford puts 32%, 66% on SPY, but I went big on the SPY. Did I really spend like $400 something on SPY puts? That's crazy. Shouldn't have done that. It's working though. Let's see. 60% on Pfizer puts. There you go. There you go. Yeah, SPY coming down. Oh, it is 12:01. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for a fun stream. We're printing today. The USOs were dirty. The SPY puts dirty. Ford puts could end up being dirty. So hopefully you guys had a fun time. If you guys do want to learn more about the strategy that we're using to make these gains, make sure you check out the link to the Discord in the top of the chat over there. And make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I'll be back on at 1:15 Eastern. So if you guys do want to come back and hang out with me, you're always welcome. I'm probably going to be holding these SPY puts until then, unless I paper hand like a little bitch. But I'm hoping not. You know, I'm hoping not. So 400, I spend 800. Oh man. All right, everybody. Cheer the SPY down is like cheering AMC down. Oh my God, Jorge. Oh my God. All right, Jorge, you're getting a celebratory timeout for your nonsense comments today. All right. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. I'll be over on TMI stream for a little bit, guys, and then I will come back in a little bit. Other than that, people, thank you for another awesome stream. Welcome to all the new subs and members, and peace.